Victoria, you ready? I'm ready when you are.
All right, we're starting with bottom of 18. Best Rick. Sure, I'm saying it wrong, but if you think it's your James.
Up here. All right, good morning, sir. You are Mr., is it Meshref?
Yes.
Mr. Meshref, you're charged with displaying a fictitious license plate. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay,
So this is Meshref, right?
Meshref. Mhm.
On July 7th of 2026, in Harris County, Texas, an officer noticed a motor vehicle on a public roadway with a license plate that had the appearance of a fictitious Lima plate rather than a lawfully issued metal Texas license plate. The officer conducted a TCIC and NCIC inquiry on the display plate, which revealed the plate had been canceled on April 23rd, 2025, and was registered to a white Ram pickup truck rather than a Lincoln MKZ. The officer conducted a traffic stop, and the defendant was ID'd through a Texas driver's license. The defendant admitted the license plate was fake and admitted he had placed it on the vehicle to take photographs. The defendant had a valid license plate on the inside of his car not showing. Registration was also not displayed on the windshield.
Okay. Does he have a license to drive?
But I will have to ask him.
Do you mind looking, please? Mr. Meshref, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to participate in these types of activities again. Do not display any fictitious license plate. You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license, liability insurance in your name, and you have proper registration, and those are your bond conditions. If you violate these conditions, and I don't care what the hell you have to do in this life, I don't care that you have to work, I don't care that you have to go to school, I don't care that you have to go to the hospital. If you're going to drive, you must do it legally, and now it's a part of your bond conditions. You violate it, I'm just going to put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so just give me 1 second.
That's okay. Yeah, no rush. Take your time. We just want to make sure that it's done right. If he doesn't have a license, we'll have him sign an affidavit promising us he's not going to drive. What's the deal, Pickle?
All right, Judge, we're trying to run the DO and it's not coming up on our end. I don't know if it's like your Wi-Fi in here or if our system's just down. I refreshed the page and it's still not pulling up any of the information.
Okay. If you do not have a Texas driver license, you are not allowed to drive. You understand? I'm going to have you sign an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to. If you do, every time you drive, I can have a contempt hearing and you can be facing up to 180 days in jail and a $500 fine. So many people think it's not a big deal. I think it's an extremely big deal. It's just really not fair in the event that you get into an accident, you maim someone else's car, have injuries of any kind, and then there's just no way that they get proper restitution, paid back, made whole. It's just not fair. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law. And if you don't, there will be an extremely heavy penalty. Do you understand me? How do you support yourself, Mr. Meshreff? Are you able to hire a lawyer? We will give you time. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. At that point, we will get you to sign a reset. I'm going to have you take a seat while we have bond conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. All right? Okay, please. Guys, can you create those conditions, please? No driving without a valid license, insurance. I need state, if you don't mind. Valid registration, license plate, please.
All right, Judge, next is top of 21. None, come on up.
None. Come up. I went that way. That way. We don't want you near the DAs.
All right. Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Nunn. Sir, you speak English, sir?
Yes, please.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On July 8th of 2026 in Harris County, Texas, on a public roadway, an officer was dispatched to a chasing vehicle call for service. The officer learned from a witness that the driver was willing to maintain a single lane swerving back and forth, and the defendant was also driving 15 miles per hour and then 30 miles per hour in a 60-mile-per-hour zone. The defendant stated the officer came to the traffic stop, and the defendant stated he drank 2 IPA beer cans at his friend's. The officer observed 18 empty Hopadillo beer cans in the truck bed. The officer also noticed bloodshot eyes, a strong odor of alcohol from the person, and red glossy eyes. The SOCs were conducted and they were 6 out of 6 for the HGM, and he was unable to do the other 2. The DSC was read and a warrant was executed.
Okay, does he have a license to drive?
Yes, Judge, it looks like he does have the license, eligible.
CDL?
Doesn't appear.
No. Okay. Mr. Nunn, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. Because this is a second offense, I'm now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? Are you sure? What's the hesitation? If you don't understand, I need to know now, because if you violate these conditions, you may very well go to jail. And if you try to come here and say, I don't understand, it's just not an excuse. Do you want me to get an interpreter for you? What did he say? You need to speak louder. I can't hear you. Do you want a Swahili interpreter? Can you just take a seat for me in the jury box, please? And then once we get an interpreter, then we'll revisit.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I think I missed it, but it looks like the one at the SU was read with the Swahili interpreter as well.
Okay.
All right.
but he has a Texas driver license.
24, Robinson, come on up.
But you want to give us generate those conditions, correct?
Oh, wait, she did generate it.
She generated them, she actually signed.
That's okay. And we'll do it. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry, Victoria.
Bottom of 24.
Good morning, Ms. Robinson. Ms. Robinson, you're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On July 8th of 2026 in Harris County, Texas, an officer responded to a call stating the caller's daughter is trying to jump on her after claiming the caller stole the daughter's pills. The officers arrived at 2:32 in the morning to the 700 block of East 43rd Street. Officer made contact with the witness who stated that her daughter wanted to fight her. Defendant came out of her residence and began arguing by yelling loudly at the witness while in the presence of the officers. The defendant was seen closing the distance between herself and the witness while cursing and yelling loudly. The officers attempted to detain and de-escalate the situation by advising the defendant to lower her voice and to talk normally. The defendant refused to cooperate. The defendant then abruptly turned and began to walk away from the officers and witness. The officer gave the defendant verbal commands to stop and come back because they were not done talking as they were investigating the assault. At this time, the defendant was walking backwards towards the residence. And the officer chased after the defendant and caught up to her halfway up the driveway, traveling approximately 20 feet. The defendant immediately took up a stern posture and stiffened up, and the officer then reached for her arms. As the defendant verbally resisted by yelling at officers not to put hands on her, because she was not resisting arrest. The officer then attempted to place handcuffs on the defendant, and she pulled her arms away from the officer's grasps and physically moving her torso to prevent the officer from putting her hands behind her back. The defendant began to pull away from the officers, and the resistance continued until the officers used the forced takedown maneuver.
She was backing away. She was leaving. He asked her to calm down. She calms down, backs away. She's leaving. And then dude just instigates, man. Hell no. No way. She's totally in the right. She stopped yelling. She didn't do anything. She walks away, and then the officer comes up and he starts to sleep. I'm gonna find no probable cause in your case. Careful, man. Right? Life's just way too short, right? Please. Come on. All right. Ready?
All right, yes, Judge. Page 26, Sanchez, come on up.
Good morning, Ms. Sanchez. Ma'am, you charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On July 7th of 2026 in Harris County, Texas, the officer responded to a theft call at 19511 North Freeway Spring, Texas. This is a target in Harris County, Texas.
Okay.
The officer made contact with the loss prevention officer who stated the defendant was Hispanic female. The complaining witness stated he observed the defendant selecting merchandise from the sales floor and concealing it in a large purse. The complainant observed the defendant on the sales floor passing all points of sale. The defendant made no attempt to pay for the unpaid merchandise, and the defendant was detained outside the store, and $266.85 worth of stolen property was recovered.
Done. All right, Ms. Sanchez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to go to any target whatsoever for any reason. Do not pick up any new cases. Otherwise, either of those, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. There will be no more PR bonds. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand, ma'am? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How old are you, ma'am? Do you want a court-appointed lawyer? This is a theft case. A theft case can have dire consequences on your record, on your future, employment, financial, with the federal government, I mean, it can be really disastrous and you need a lawyer to help you out. You're 17 and I'm willing to give you a court-appointed lawyer if you'd like. It's probably a good idea. You want one? Okay. I need you to fill out an application for me though, and then I'll take a look. I need to know financials as far as, are you working? Are you in school? I'll take a look at it. More than likely I'll grant you one today and we'll have you talk to someone, okay? Please, ma'am.
Judge, bottom of 27. Smith, come on up.
Guys, do you mind filing no going to Target, please? Did you say Smith?
Yeah, Judge, bottom of 27.
Got it. All right. Good morning, Mr. Smith. So you're charged with evading arrest or detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On July 7th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officers responded to a call stating a call regarding a use or enter a vehicle or paid fare zone without the payment of the correct fare or refuse to produce fare media for inspection by designated metro official. The officers made contact with the defendant and asked for ID. The suspect began to give his name and then stopped and began to run on foot, crossing traffic. The defendant was ordered to stop multiple times before being detained. Even after being detained, the defendant attempted to pull and roll away. The defendant made it 300 feet from the initial location.
So what drew police? He didn't pay a bus ticket. Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm. The call was, the offense was use or enter a vehicle or paid fare zone without the payment of the correct fare or refuse to produce fare media for inspection by designated metro official.
What the hell does that mean?
I believe he was in a metro stadium and didn't pay the fare. And the metro police were the first one to pull him out.
Stop. Don't, please.
Can I have a second to look at the actual case report?
Sure, of course. Just take a seat for me at the jury box, please. Do not leave. And I'm going to take a deeper dive into this as well. I mean, or was he under arrest at the time? You know,
At the metro stadium, the metro police made contact with the suspect and advised him of the offense and requested his identification. So I believe, I don't know if he was male suspect, and officers in full metro police uniform made
I
contact.
guess take a deeper look, will you?
Oh,
Okay.
All right, Judge, the last one, I have to give you a case number.
Okay. All right.
2629577.
Samuels?
Oh, never mind, Judge, a dismissal was filed today.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's been dismissed. Okay. Are you ready?
Hey, Judge. Good
Hi.
morning.
Good morning.
Judge, I'm here on Mr. Arcadio Barraza. He's in the box.
Is this from yesterday?
This is from Monday.
Monday. Okay.
I was appointed to him, DWI second, he had a bond
I
violation.
remember. Right.
The allegation was that he didn't get it installed on June 10th. He said he had paperwork, he brought paperwork.
But has he given it to, I mean, he needs to go to pretrial. Pretrial needs to verify it, see what's going on. Just giving it to us does no good.
I understand, I just speak
Yeah.
to pre-trial.
Just to verify, he already got it installed on 7/7.
And they're able to verify that it was operational and that he's been consistently blowing?
So I asked for a compliance check with the case manager, since I guess it's only been 5 days that he got it, so we can't generate a report.
So can we send them down to pretrial services so they can take that information and then try to generate one?
Verify?
Yeah,
I can send it to 49.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. I want to make sure that he's been blowing because we ordered him to get an interlock in June. He gets an interlock according to him in June. We don't get notice until like now, just a couple days ago. So he's been without an interlock for an entire month is what it shows. If so, then that's a problem. If he's legitimately had it and he's been blowing as he's supposed to, then I'll continue supervision, but I'm not going to trust his word. I need you guys to take a look and to see, has he been blowing? Is there a report so that we have proof and, yeah, okay? All right,
Fantastic. So the instruction is for him to proceed to 49 cents.
right. So he'll need to meet with her and she'll tell him where to go, what paperwork to give them, and then they can kind of reconcile everything to make sure that it's legitimate, that he's had it for the entire, since we ordered.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. Another one real quick, is,
Sure.
Gala Valley. Gala Valley, the last
Valley.
name B.
Okay, I got it. Another BVR.
Yeah, Stephanie Bond forfeiture, he's a homeless lady charged with assault, violent injury.
Is she here?
He's not here. She was homeless, no phone when I was appointed to her. I did get a couple of contact phone numbers from pretrial services for her. None of those phones were working.
Okay, so I'm revoking her bond. This is her second BVR. She was here last time. She just up and left. We
Right.
told her not to. And so I'll set it at 2501 and then we'll just, do you want to stay on it or do you want to withdraw?
I'll stay on.
Okay,
Yeah,
then I'll do that. Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
How much was that, Ted?
2501 or no, 202. Because it's the second BVR. Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi,
How are you doing this morning?
what's up?
I'm approaching this parte of operation license for Chelsea Edwards. Recently.
She's currently in the program now, or are you waiting to get in?
No, she's in the program.
Great, I'll grant it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Your Honor,
yeah, for sure. As long as she's in compliance, I'm great. I'm cool with it, you know? Just please tell her to remain in compliance. As long as she does and she's got an interlock, then we're all happy.
thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Ramona's the one that takes care of all the ODLs, thankfully for us. So if you want to talk with her, she can generate it and then I can just sign it.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor.
Okay, of course. Hi, Mr. Say.
How are you doing?
You good? What's up?
I've got Alejandro Vasquez.
31.
Going the wrong way.
And so he was just approved for DWI PTI just a couple minutes ago. We already
Wonderful.
submitted the application. He's done his TRAS.
So great. We'll give you 2 weeks for you guys to finish everything up.
Okay, we just need the contract and.
Yeah, I mean, you'll hopefully get the contract today or tomorrow and then just have him be ready to get an interlock and then just pay the fee and then that's it.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, it should, 2 weeks should be enough,
Thank you, Judge.
of course.
Judge Hanson?
Yeah, you know, just go, really.
Your Honor, waiting on Mr.
On the evading, that was, I don't know. What do you think?
So I think sometimes people make decisions that are
Have
convenient situation.
consequence, right?
Inconvenient situation into a situation where they're going to.
So,
The platform down there is under under surveillance. So because if you put an officer everywhere,
sure,
they observed him violating, basically getting on the train or attempting to get on the train for free, because apparently you do something. Officers dispatched over there, they contact with him. We're going to give him a Class C citation. They asked him for his name. He started to respond. He paused, turned, and then took off across the street. So, I mean,
would you say he was
detained.
He was detained. So a person commits an offense if he intentionally flees from a person he knows is a peace officer, a federal special investigator attempting to lawfully arrest or detain.
Fully dressed Metro
Yeah.
officers.
Okay. What was the last name again?
Gaines?
Come up.
No.
No. I'm sorry. The gentleman. Come on up. You were
Smith. Curtis Smith.
All right, Mr. Smith, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, just don't pick up any new cases. Be careful. Just really over how much is a metro ticket?
I can't exceed $500, can it?
No. To get on the damn train, is it $2? I mean, we're now here in stop. Over a freaking $1.25, you're now in misdemeanor court charged with for up to a year and or a $4,000 fine. Stop. I'm just making it known over $1.25. Let me provide you a lawyer today. Just don't pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my. Mr. Smith, just listen. Don't be a danger to my city. I'm not asking for much. You understand? I'll get you a lawyer today. I just talk to this person. They can help you out. I'm not asking much from you. You understand? Okay. I'm going to have you sign a reset and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box and then I'll find you someone here real quick. Come on. Yeah. I suppose. Are you ready? Hey, come on up.
William Smothers, he's in custody. We're set for bail review. Bond.
Sure. You anticipate him bonding out?
I do, Your Honor. There's been some trouble contacting his mother who post the bond. For some reason, her number is set to be not receive calls from the jail. So he's had trouble contacting her, trying to get her to post bond. I'm going to get in contact with her and see if we can get that scheduled. I wouldn't mind a reduction, but I have never that $2,500 is too much.
You're right. Do you mind bringing Mr. Smothers out, please? Do you mind checking if Mr. Smothers has a valid license real quick, please, with them? Yeah, does he have a valid license? Victoria,
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Robinson's case has been dismissed. So, here we go.
There's a private weapon you guys.
It's excessive.
I'm not like. It's called grass reconstruction. Yeah.
All right. All right. Good morning, Mr. Smothers.
Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Probable cause has already been found on your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You will be randomly tested. Because this is a second offense, I'm now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, then you will go back to jail. Do you understand? Your lawyer has told me that they're anticipating on bonding you out at some point within the near future. If you get out, these are conditions on your bond. Don't violate them. Otherwise, you go right back in. Do you understand? Do you have a valid license to drive? Great. I send notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer in the state knows if you're pulled over, that car doesn't have an interlock, they're going to take you in. Understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, great. We'll just have him sign conditions. After that, you guys are good to go.
Thank you much.
All right. Thank you, sir. Yeah. No, I left it as is. Mr. Francis.
Judge, I'm Mr. Barraza.
Yeah.
Per pretrial, services, Lifesaver wants to do their own internal investigation.
What the heck
To
does that
find out
mean?
where the ball got dropped.
What ball?
Why Mr. Barraza shows in their system is, starting to blow on 7/10 when he has an installation receipt that says 6/10.
I don't, what does that mean?
Judge, so I guess in the system Lifesaver, it doesn't show any records from him going in from 6/10. But according to the thing on him, yeah, got it installed on 6/10. As of right now, I do have a copy of him going in only on 7/10. But that's
It's not cool, man.
I mean, Judge, he showed me an actual photo of him blowing into his device prior to 7/10. I think the end of June.
There should
And
be,
he
so
has a receipt.
whenever anyone has an interlock,
Mhm.
they keep copious records of every single blow,
I agree.
pictures of every single blow. You giving me one picture of one blow on one instance
Mhm.
just doesn't cut it. That's just not enough.
Plus his receipt of.
I understand the receipt doesn't mean anything.
Plus what he's telling.
Great.
That's all I have.
How do I know that that's a legitimate receipt that he didn't just create using AI in Claude?
And how do somebody at Lifesaver didn't drop the ball?
It's his responsibility. He's the one that was told to be here with the evidence as to what is going on.
What other evidence can he bring you? Besides his receipt of installation?
Proof of every single blow that he's done every time he starts the car.
He doesn't maintain that record, Judge. Pretrial services does and Lifesaver does.
No, he didn't get it the way that he was supposed to get it.
Yeah.
He did what he wanted to do, where he wanted to do it.
All of my evidence and everything I can determine tells me that he got it installed on 6/10 and he's been blowing ever since. There's no evidence.
Okay, you said that he's been blowing it ever since. Where's that evidence?
My,
That's exactly what my point is.
well, but here's the thing, Judge, he's not the repository for that evidence. He doesn't keep those records of him blowing every day.
Barraza, come up.
Lifesaver.
Do you need a translator,
No,
Mr. Barraza?
No, sir.
You were ordered to get an interlock
Correct.
1 week from the day that you were put on bond in this case. From our records, we do not have you getting in an interlock until a month and a half later. You knew why you were here today to show to us because you are trying to tell the court that you have had an interlock since you were supposed to. You and your lawyer have provided one picture of one blow within that time frame of the month and a half that you were supposed to have an interlock. That is not sufficient. You knew why you were coming today. You knew what evidence is required of you. I will give you the benefit of the doubt and I will roll you again until tomorrow. Tomorrow, you must come here with proof that you have had an interlock the entire month and every time that car has been driven, that you have blown into a machine and that machine has taken your picture so that you can prove that is you blowing into it. It is your responsibility to go to wherever you got the machine to get the documentation. It's not on us. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
You giving me some kind of receipt showing installation is not sufficient. With the advent of today's technology, anybody can create anything, even Trump dancing in a parade with some kind of AI is ingenious and anybody can create anything. We work in a world of proof. If you don't have proof, you don't have anything. We don't work on the gospel here. Do you understand? See you tomorrow. Council. Yes, but hold on a second. I've had Miss Miranda here for a long time waiting. Christy,
Good morning, Judge.
come up. Just hang tight. Yeah. Hey, who you got?
I'm here on Mr. Edwards.
Who?
Mr. Edwards. I talked to the state yesterday and they just released the remaining discovery that I was looking for, so I just need a regular reset to eval.
What we just had the other gentleman here from Miss Edwards, and I just granted it.
Ardarius Edwards, a different Edwards, I guess.
Sorry, Judge.
Oh, okay, my fault. Yeah, you're right. You, on Miss Edwards, is discovery complete?
Yes, Judge, discovery is complete and there's been an offer in the portal since May.
Awesome.
Wait,
Okay.
not that Edwards. Mine is Ardarius Edwards.
Yes, I'm looking at our database.
She's talking about that same person.
Oh, I didn't see an offer, but okay, I will look at that.
Well, I mean, it's a 99 days old. You got a lot of time. So you just want to reset for now?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Is it August? I think she's working the last week of August, I want to say.
Any day is fine, Your Honor.
25 to the 27th.
Any day's fine.
All right, 27th.
All right, August 27th is a reset.
Thank you.
It'll still be waived for that setting, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Hey, discovery complete, offers have been made. Okay, hi.
Ms. Ross, RAUC, on bottom.
Okay,
We're set for eval today, Your Honor. I think the state has a little bit more time on.
are you missing evidence?
Yes, Judge, so we have not, it looks like, we have not made contact with the complaining witness in the case.
This is a problem. It's
Yeah,
160 days old.
understood, Judge, and we put in a looking for, him, so hopefully we'll be able to make contact with him soon. And then also some photos that we are missing.
Okay, so I'll give you 10 days. So we'll set up for a 10-day discovery hearing. At that point, whatever's not in, if we, at some point, we had to cut the losses, you know? So of giving him 10 days, whatever's not in by the next 10 days, just, okay? All right, so just set it for 10 days from today and we'll see. Hopefully they have stuff for you. If not, then we'll go forward. Yeah, okay? It'll still be waived for that setting because just nothing's really gonna happen. But after that, then we got to start. Okay? All right, yes, sir. All right, Mr. Gold.
I just need to talk to the prosecutor.
Got it. Okay. Elena,
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Victoria, Elena's here.
Oh, she has a fugitive.
Oh,
No, I sent you an email on Victoria on Mr. Baker. He's been reset. He has locals pending to 8/25. Did you receive it?
yeah, okay. Anything else you want to talk
Yes.
about?
Yes,
Okay.
Andy, VILLATORO PTI completion. I just want to make sure the dismissal was filed.
Are you familiar who? What was the last name, Elena?
Cruz Villatoro. VILLATORO. Cruz. Yes,
I didn't, yeah, it's not on docket today.
253-24850.
on for tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Well, can we dismiss it off docket?
I don't know. I can have,
We will be ready to terminate on 7/16.
And the other one that's on docket is a fugitive and they should be dismissing it. And that is Cameron Washington.
I can't tell him to dismiss the case from yesterday or from tomorrow, today.
I'll email him. It's just that he finished, he
Yeah,
completed everything.
It's ready to be dismissed, but I can't tell him to do it. If they want to do it, great, but if not,
I
mean,
will.
tomorrow, you know?
Okay. I mean, that's fine. I mean,
Sure.
I'll email them. I made
You
that
good?
mistake. I'm sorry. I thought he was on for today.
They're gonna file it now, Elena.
Okay, and then Cameron Washington, he should be dismissed. I've already emailed Anastasia because he was
That's a
picked.
day case, right?
Yeah, I already emailed them, so I was just letting
Okay.
the court know and Victoria know that Cameron Washington should be dismissed.
Got it.
All
Okay,
right, thank you. Have a good day.
cool. You too. Take care.
Your Honor, on Mr. Smith, I went ahead and filed the dismissal, but it's not worth the resources.
Thanks. That's nice. I mean, hopefully, all right, Mr. Smith, come on up. Thank you, Mr. Gaines. That's nice. You know, Mr. Smith, we're lucky and you are lucky at times. We have extremely reasonable prosecutors that see what's, you know, over $1.25, you're going to waste all this time. You're going to waste all these resources. There are plenty of places that you can get free bus passes, free passes if you want to go on the train. You know, when you do things the right way, life tends to reward you. When you don't, I mean, how much time have you wasted? Who the hell likes to come to downtown? I don't like to come to downtown, right? All right, so he's dismissed your case. You're free to go, all right? Just be careful, make good decisions.
No, we'll start.
Yeah. Hi, Dan. What's up?
I have two cases on your docket.
Okay.
Your Abaino, ABA,
Okay,
that one, they, in fairness, are in the process of evaluating, they just said, people that need to look at on here. Looking for a couple of weeks.
it's 200 days, man, and it's a suspended license case.
That case is, there's an.
Oh, I see. There's an
The
assault case.
The one that's really driving the.
Got it. Is discovery complete on the,
I believe it is.
Sure.
I'm not looking.
It is, Your Honor.
okay, have you put offers on it?
There is a probation offer.
Okay, so I'll give you a couple of weeks what you're asking, but the other case is now 200 days as well. I'd say, you know, we'll give you a normal reset, but have your guy ready.
Yeah. We judge it, like I said, the assault is the one that's driving.
Got it.
The data go on.
Okay.
And the other one that I have, Judge, is Armani Leggett.
I guess.
We just got the contract on that, like Friday, Thursday of last week.
Sure.
We just.
Yeah, we'll give you about a week and a half.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Dan.
And I was on vacation, that was kidding, so I just, I had. I'm back today.
Good. Now you're back.
Went to Narrows in Utah. It's in Zion.
Yeah, I've heard good things about Zion. Bro.
It's so
Yeah.
beautiful. But
One day, man.
what I figured out is 53-year-old day ain't the same as.
No, no. Yeah.
42-mile hike to the river.
Oh, wow, that's great. You feel the next
I
thing.
could really get up, but it just. I'm still struggling.
That's good, though. It's good exercise.
My son, on the other hand, just.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, thanks, Judge.
sure.
How much time? I'll be alive 29. So what are we setting it for the D that we alive?
That's good. And there's- Yeah, he's right. Is on.
Hi, Sebastian.
I have, Mr. Watson.
Jail or bond?
Jail. He's the one that's, on probation.
Oh, right. Yeah, I need to, revoke his bond too.
Which,
Hey, can you bring out Mr. Watson, please?
which one?
The two new ones. I'm not giving him another PR bond. Or did he make?
No, I think they're just.
Yeah,
Because yes, those.
I see that they set the other bond at $250,000. Did you talk to Gary by chance on the other case?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, we're gonna touch base yesterday.
okay. Do you just want to reset or do you want to?
I mean, I want to see if we can, if we can divert it, it's great, but I.
Okay.
Say obviously.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I mean.
Is it, are you with mental health on that? Okay. And they said they have resources available for him, so, yeah,
He's
hope-
a veteran, so.
yeah, hopefully he'll take care of,
Yeah.
let me express my profound disappointment with you now, Mr. Watson. There are some people who you try and you try and you try to reach, just to no avail. I have over and over through lawyer, just, the messed up thing is, my dad used to tell me, you can keep messing up, you can keep going in and out of jail, you can keep going out of prison. At some point, you'll hit rock bottom and you'll finally learn what life is about, how to start doing the things the right way so that you get out of this rut, because you have literally, since 2015, have been nothing but trouble. And this is why we have cages, I mean, it just, you were on probation in this court. I've set your bond at 30,000 on that one. You've picked up 2 new cases and the magistrate, I guess, gave you another couple PR bonds on those. I don't think so, man. I think that you are a complete and utter danger to our society. I don't think that there are no non-financial conditions of bond that will suffice to get you to comply with bond conditions. When we put bond conditions on you, you just don't care. You're going to do whatever the hell you want to do. And just, I mean, actions speak louder. And I've been telling you that since day freaking one. So on all of your cases, they will all be set at 30,006. I see that your felony case has been set at $250,000. If you do get out, you will order to be under home confinement. You are not allowed to go out. And just my public is just way too valuable, man. And just, so on Mr. Watson here, he needs a GPS prior to release. He'll undergo random drug testing every Monday and every Thursday if he's released. Otherwise, he's under home confinement. And if you do have someone post your bond, Mr. Watson, I'm not going to play this game with you again. If you do get out the first violation, I'm not going to play this that we've been doing over and over. Okay, I guess we'll see. Do you want to set it after the felony, or what would you like to do? Well, it looks like the felony's set for tomorrow, so I don't know if you want to set it maybe next week.
Also, I wanted to, speak with you regarding whether you wanted a hearing or if you wanted to just see how the felony ends up working out. If it ends up working out.
Yeah, let's just see what happens with the felony, but I'm him being on probation, picking up 2 new cases. I would be remiss to think that it would be a good idea to continue. And so, all right, Mr. Watson. Wait, he needs to sign conditions, though. Do you mind generating those conditions, please? So 30,602. Please.
I've spoken with my client's mother about coordinating and getting him booked on. She's not interested in helping him out at this time, and he is unemployed and has no one outside of the facility to aid him in getting that bond posted. I'm just requesting the court provide him a PR bond. I do intend on trying to get him in contact with, I'm on the Mac course, with some Mac resources. But at this point, he doesn't have a path out of custody right now.
Let me get them up here because I want to see what their position is. What was his last? Smothers.
Smothers.
Point 266.
Yes. I don't know if that was the proper 15-minute wait period.
Have you seen a video already?
I have not, Your Honor.
So.
Grasping at straws.
What's your position on a PR bond?
That's fine, Judge. He doesn't have a lot of criminal history, at least with his last DWI. I didn't seem to have an issue with.
Have you run it? You've run an NCIC on him?
Yes, Judge.
His last DWI was 7 years ago, and he completed it perfectly fine.
Yes, Judge.
Did he really complete? I thought
Yes, his probation was terminated successfully.
it was.
And I'm not seeing any issues on that last DWI.
Etch, do you mind bringing out Smothers again, please? Does he have a license to drive?
Yes, Judge. It says he's eligible. I think the last kind of issue with it was when he had his last DWI. But since then,
So that's, I mean, his VAC was nearly 3 times the legal limit. So if we do, he'll get a portable device and he'll be ordered to obtain an interlock prior to driving any kind of car as well. You know, I think everybody should be given a chance, right? At least once. You muck it, then that's on you, but at least you've been given. So, okay.
You can't have sex. You can have a.
Okay. And I do it for 30 years.
How's jail? You know, the thing about it is to get you out, it would only be $250.
Yes, sir.
No one wants to pony up that money for you. So if we don't give you a PR bond here, you're stuck like Chuck. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Everybody deserves a chance, and I'm willing to give you a chance, Mr. Smother, but I want you to understand that that high BAC scares me, especially on a crash. This, if you want a PR bond, what you must agree to is, number one, you're not to drive any vehicle without an interlock. And number two, you will keep a portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol.
Yes, sir.
You have to blow into this thing at least 3, if not 4 times a day.
Yes, sir.
Morning, noon, evening, night. If you don't blow on it, if you skip, and I don't care what your excuse is, I will revoke the PR bond. I'm going to put you back in. Chances are I'm going to make your bond higher. And you now know no one's going to pony up even $250 to get you out.
Yes, sir.
Number one. Number two, how old are you?
I'm 23. I'm sorry, 26. I don't want to say that. Not 26. I'm 34. I'm sorry. I'm just nervous right now.
What are we playing Plinko?
No, I'm just nervous. I'm sorry. I'm 34 years old. I was born in 1992.
Why on God's green earth are you unemployed?
Well, I work a lot doing painting and landscaping. I just don't physically have a job in paper.
It's time for you to get a full-time job.
Yes, sir.
People who have too much time on their hands become self-destructive, and you need something to occupy your time so you don't start thinking irrationally, acting irrationally, start hitting things that you shouldn't be hitting. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you one opportunity and only one opportunity. What you choose to do with it is on you. There are no mistakes in this life. There are choices. You either make a good choice or you make a boneheaded one, and you now know what happens if you do the latter. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That means no drugs, no alcohol. You will be tested like crazy to make sure you're not using anything illegal, including marijuana.
Yes, sir.
Full-time employment. You will be back here in 2 weeks to show me what you have done to get a job. I want to see 20 to 30 applications, and beggars can't be choosers. Nothing at this point is beneath you, whether it's fast food, whether it's working at Chuck E. Cheese. I was Chuck E. Cheese at one point too. I had to put the costume on, that smelly ass thing. Nothing is beneath you. You are not a CEO at this point. So when you get a job, if you get a job, don't be picky, and nothing is beneath you at this point.
Yes, sir.
You either comply or you ain't gonna be so fly. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay? All right. So I'm gonna grant him a PR bond. You know the conditions, and then we'll see him back in 2 weeks. All right. Good luck, Mr. Smothers. Make us proud, man.
Yeah. I'll be all right.
I don't know about this one.
Well, that's why I'm talking to you. So they were initially going to do PTI, but the client doesn't want to do PTI. She doesn't want to do PTI.
Where is the one? So then she's gonna have to do treatment. She's, and I'll explain to her. Come on up, Miss Brantley.
She wants, I think they have a plea offer. But,
What is the plea on?
He just put me in the we're going over with it. But she just don't.
Is it time served?
Yeah.
So if you want an occupational license, one of the things that you must do, if you want an occupational license, one of the things that you must do is be in some kind of treatment program. And it's just part of the law that is to obtain a guardian in law.
So she's under the treatment of a psychiatrist right now.
That's not
No.
sufficient. It has to be drug and alcohol, right? So something that we can see, we can, monitor, make sure. Normally what people do is they would go into the PTI program. And if you want an interlock, being part of that program, you do treatment protocol, and that would satisfy the condition of this. If you enter into the other agreement where you're going to take time served, what we would have to do is we have you evaluated by doing a TRAS. The TRAS will tell you what the appropriate treatment, program would be, whether it's, supportive outpatient treatment, whether it's intensive outpatient treatment. I don't know what it would be, but they would let us know. And then at that point, you can either do this or you can do the PTI program. If you just do a time served, I'm not going to grant the occupational because you have to do the treatment as part of it. So you don't need to make a decision right here in front of us now, take your time and let us know what you want to do. The advantageous thing of the diversion program, if you complete it successfully, the case is dismissed versus the time served, you plead guilty, goes on your record. It's there for the rest of your natural born life. Oh, God, you're a teacher. I'm telling you, this could have consequences. So, yeah, you guys take a step back, you talk, but
We'll talk about it.
but if you go into the PTI program, I'm happy to grant it for you.
Thank you.
Okay, you just let us know. Yeah, we'll just see. Hi, are you ready? Come on. Good morning.
I'm here for Mr. Texas, last name TEXIS.
On bond, right? For jail.
Technically, he was in custody, ICE hold, and I think that ICE has picked him up because he wasn't brought down this morning.
Yeah.
We just searched the database for ICE custody, but we didn't see him.
But I show them on the bond docket.
Is he given a bond in custody?
I guess somebody.
Does it say release to ICE? Does it say release to ICE?
Well, it says there was a hold, and the hold was lifted the same day.
But it'll say release to who? It'll say like release to ICE or.
I would assume somebody paid that bond.
Do me a favor, if you don't mind. There's a specific website you can go with, I think it's DHS or immigration. There's an A number here that has you can use that A number to see if he's in immigration custody. Have you ever done that before?
I was trying to find his A number and I couldn't find it.
It's go under holds. And under the warrant number, there's his A number.
The 206-138-700.
Yeah, it's A20613. Yeah, that one.
That one.
So you also need the country of origin.
And that might be why.
If you, let me look on,
Because I'm looking, we tried that.
Did he
number.
have an, and somebody doesn't show that he got an identification card? Lot of companies say that.
Yeah. Yes, Judge, I'm looking at the number on the EOIR's website with the nationality, and it says that there's no case found with that A number. So I don't know.
What does the bond paperwork send that he's supposed to be? Oh, he's supposed to be here. Yeah, I mean, I got to revoke his bond if he's not here. Unless he's in ICE custody, you can show me that, then I'll end up revoking it. I'll set it at, 2501 and then we'll just go from there. Do you want to stay on under? Or do you want to withdraw? You want to withdraw? Okay, yeah, just file it and I'm going to issue a warrant. He's not here. He's supposed to be here. We don't know where he is.
It looks like we have a note on our case, and I probably didn't see this, that he might be entitled to stay at this
Yeah.
But we don't have anything.
Yeah.
Other than.
Okay, I'll set the bond at 2501 then. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thanks. Counsel, come on up.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
I'm here on Mr. Ortiz,
Jail or bond?
bond.
Okay, damn, that's old. Where's Mr. Ortiz?
He's in the audience.
Okay, did he just get out of jail or something?
Yes.
Ortiz, come up. You speak English, sir? Mr. Ortiz, you're charged with resisting arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. To give you a little perspective, we set cases for trial at 180 days here. Your case is 388 days old. It's time for you to decide what you want to do, and it's time to put this baby to bed. Otherwise, our docket just balloon out of control. Is discovery complete? Do you know? And do you have an offer on this case?
I just spoke to the chief in here,
Okay.
who I assume is filling in for the chief, and there is an offer.
Great. We will give you guys a week to decide what you want to do. When did you get appointed?
It was a fugitive case, so I just got appointed 2 weeks. It's my first time meeting with my client.
It's an 8-hour anger management class for discussing it. That's what the offer.
Okay, so if you step back, see if that's something that your client wants to do. If not, I'll give you guys a week to decide what you want to do, and we'll come back and we'll set up for trial. But at that point, all offers will be withdrawn, and I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain offers at that time. He has a dismissal offer now. If he accepts it, we'll give him a couple days to complete it. Otherwise, we'll give you guys a week to go through all the evidence, and then his case will be set for trial.
Sure, Your Honor. I will just say that my client works, and if we are sticking with the 8 hours, that might be, 1 week. I don't know.
He can do it at his leisure. He can do it at 10 o'clock at night. He can do it at 1 in the morning. He can do it 8 in the morning. It's an 8-hour class. Over the weekend, you can find the time to get it done. Your case is 388 days old. I'm not giving you a lot of time. Do you understand? At some point, this is like a Thanksgiving turkey, and we got to start trimming the fat. You know what I mean? Right. Today's Thanksgiving, buddy. Enjoy your day. Tell us what you want to do.
Okay, 1 week, Your Honor? 1 week, you said?
No. I want to decide whether he needs to accept the offer for the 8-hour anger management.
I was hoping to get it down from 8. I feel like that's excessive.
Oh,
It's my
it's
first time.
380. No, you can do it now, or no, it's 388 days old. I mean, you got your time now. You have until the end of docket, man, but it's 388 days old, man.
Okay,
We're trimming.
yes, Thanksgiving.
Mm.
I heard.
Sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Hey. Hi, Enrique. How are you, man? Who you got?
Had a motion stuff placed in your.
What was the last name? Negrete? Okay. Oh, he's in jail. So you got something you just need me to sign?
Yeah.
Oh, the motion to sub? Got it.
We got a permission, he's got a pending. Felony.
Tell me you're representing him up there too? Oh, wonderful. Do you just want to, I guess, obviously we can't roll it together, but
He said it's the fifth of August.
Do you want to do the day after?
I know I'm really close now.
Well, I mean, just at or near, I don't care. It's up to you. Today's your first setting?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I haven't even seen the file. 'cause I'm-
Yeah. I understand. I mean, really, whatever you want.
I could do, I could do the next video.
You want to do that? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Judge, how much time will that be?
So Enrique's just signing on and he's got a lot of stuff upstairs and he's signing on to the cases upstairs as well. I would say just the day after felony and then after that, we'll start wrapping it up.
Counsel, sir?
Counselor, yeah, come on up.
I'm Ricardo Nato.
Okay,
Just so I spoke to the stand-in deputy chief. They want to offer PTI on this, Judge. I know
they want to or they don't want to?
they do want to. And my client, he needs the T-RAS, and then see about the walk, they propose to be willing to allow walk for the T-RAS today. I know it's a little later.
Where's Mr. Lara now? Is he here? Okay, have you guys turned everything in that needs to be turned in?
So we don't need to do an application for him, because it's below a 0.15.
No. Everyone has to do an application though. You just don't have to do a mitigation package.
I'm sorry, we don't have to do mitigation.
Right.
I'm sorry. No, we need to do the application. So he made the decision today to do PTI because he got a new job offer. He wasn't gonna be able to afford it earlier.
On day 180?
Yes, Judge, but.
I'm not giving you a lot of time. I'll give you a week to get the application done. And you guys already approved him?
I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be approved.
Okay, so what,
And I've
since he's
already said
here,
the BPI in it, so it's gonna get.
yeah, so since he's here now, to be expedient, we'll send him to go do a TRAS now. That way, next week, must get the application in by next week, otherwise I'm rolling him day for day. And at that point, once all that's in and you get the contract, we'll give you about 1 to 2 weeks to finish it up.
That's fine,
But
Judge.
I mean, it's 180 days. I'm not gonna give you no long resets and it gets micromanaged.
That's fine,
So,
Judge.
okay,
Okay,
All right.
thank you, Judge.
ready? Hey, good morning.
Brooks.
Yes, sir.
I have a Sanchez, it's an A.
I see it. Did you just get appointed?
I just got appointed. I just wanted to make sure we didn't need any.
She needs to sign bond conditions that she's not going to any target other than that. Okay, can you ask Mr. Gaines to file bond conditions not to go to Target, please?
Absolutely.
And then once they're in, we'll have her sign it and then you guys can go.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So how much she's gonna be the PTI?
I think that's a great idea. Why would you saddle yourself with conviction?
And she's interested, and she's gonna.
I don't know what kind of impact that was.
I don't know.
It can't be good though.
Yeah.
Hey, I've got this Swahili interpreter here. So we can, well, let me help.
Okay, yes.
So, hey, great to see you.
Good to see you too.
What's up?
I have Neil, we're at 160.
What do you want to do?
Prosecutor just make an offer. I submitted an affidavit to Ms. Shah.
Yeah, she's not here today. Do you know when she's coming back?
And I originally,
Not for a week and a half.
Oh, she's gone for a week and a half. When is Karina back? Do you know?
It's undetermined because she's in trial, but they're saying, they're thinking hopefully Friday.
This Friday.
Hopefully, yeah.
Okay, so why don't we set it 2 weeks to give them time to look at it? Okay, and then we'll come back. Hopefully that's enough time. It shouldn't be a problem by then. But at that point, you guys are at 180, no more waived appearances. Okay? All right.
Thanks, sir.
You got it. Thank you, Mr. Hey, guys, you want to talk?
Can we approach?
Yeah, of course. Are you waiting for a defense lawyer?
No,
Okay.
we're just asking that, Marriott get appointed off, an attorney off the list because the PDO doesn't have like certified.
Yes, we'll do that now, and then let's.
Let's keep on.
Jeff, I think she's gonna do a walkthrough here and she's already here.
It's a good idea. Should we wait to see that she actually doesn't? Okay, so just make.
Okay.
I have a lot of some people.
No, it's a Friday.
Not just one, more people. Tori. Miss Brett, right? We need to make a note and make sure that anyone that she decides to do time served instead of the PTI, that the license either gets suspended or revoked because she's got to do a treatment program. And I don't want her to at the last minute, oh, by the way, we got the license now. I want to take my mind. Yeah. Please.
Here we go,
Victoria, you did 1 week on that, right? On
Yes,
that,
that's, yes. Yes. All right, I'm just,
Alan.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
I've got the interpreter here with us now.
Yes, Your Honor.
I also need her to help me out on an arraignment real quick.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll help you out first, but she's flanked by people, so.
No worries, Your Honor.
So bear with me and then we'll get through yours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, what I've had is.
Hey, Victoria, on Therio, can you appoint someone from the MAC to represent him?
That's what I was gonna ask.
Yeah. So he's gonna need 2 lawyers, because the PDO doesn't have them trained. So. Okay, done. All right, Ms. Divina, do you mind helping me out, please?
I don't mind. I don't mind.
Are you ready?
Yes, sorry.
All right, Mr. Nunn, come up. Come up. All right, Miss Davina,
Yes, Judge.
this is Mr. Nunn. Shh. Do you understand?
Naelewa.
You are charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense.
Na ulishikwa ukiendesha gari kama umelewa, makosa aina ya pili, second offense.
Your phone is not working very well, Miss Davina.
Oh, and how about now? Okay. Umeshikwa kwa makosa ya kuendesha gari ukiwa umelewa, na hayo makosa ni aina ya makosa ya pili, second offense.
I have a hard time understanding you as well.
Oh, you're very clear. You're very clear.
Do you have another phone that you could call us back or log in?
Oh, yes, I do. I do. And how about now?
We can try it again. You are charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense.
Ulishikwa ukiendesha gari wakati umelewa, na hayo ni makosa ya pili, second offense.
No, your phone's no good, man. It just doesn't work. We can barely understand you.
Okay, please give me the number to call.
Do you have another way to log in?
Oh, yes, I do. Just if you have a number, you can give me the number so I can call you.
What'd she say? I can't understand what you're saying.
Your Honor, I can weigh in. Typically, she is able to call back via WhatsApp. So the best thing to do would be for the person to put his contact information in the chat. She can see that and she can reach out to him directly.
No, but I can't. We're doing an arraignment. I can't do that.
Sorry, Your Honor. Sorry to interrupt.
So I need you to be able to log in so that we can do an arraignment. I cannot give you the guy's phone number.
Okay. Okay, let me put off and then I come. And then I put it on. Okay.
Just take a seat for me, please.
You said 2 weeks, for review the affidavit and after that.
Yeah, so he turned in to, I guess, the mitigation packet. They're gonna review it, but they don't have people here yet. So I'd say 2 weeks just for them to get it done. Karina's still in trial. So,
That's who he's like, fired.
yeah.
You said you're gonna wait the next one after that?
No, because now you're at 180
Oh,
days.
I misunderstood.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You know, by then you're gonna be at 180 days, so it's time to.
I misunderstood what you said.
That's okay. All right. Hey, come on, Mr. Johnson. Yeah, talk to me.
Council for reset.
I'm approaching on David Blasco.
It's
Assault family member case.
Okay.
The last time that was addressing the bond issue, you heard something to a written call. Just a little background on the case. It's an assault as alleged to have happened in April of 25. Charges are not filed or any type of outcry that will be until December of 25. Right around the time they split with the legal office. And then he's picked up in April of this year, 26. At that point, the MOAC is put into place, and he was supposed to pick his kid up that day to take him to a baseball game. She texted and asked for you coming to pick him up. She found out about the work. He hasn't seen the baby since April. And this is after the year. This is now, this, the legend happened in April of 25. From April of 25 to April of 26, they didn't pick up, drop off, co-parenting, went out to dinner, all these things. Then the order hits, and now he can't see the kid. She's using it as leverage. It's hard all the time. So I'm trying to see if we can do something about that, to this without allowing him to pick up, drop off, while we work this out on the state side. Now, they've sat down with complaint with Bridges. They say that she wants cases dismissed, but it says that there is a threat. I don't know all details there. So
This is why we do what we do because when charges hit, emotions run high. And what we don't want is more aggravating circumstances hit. So that's why a lot of times it's good to have a cooling off period. And I like to do what the complaining witnesses want to do. If they don't want to have contact, then I'm going to order no contact. If I don't know, then I'm going to order no until I know, or at least they're able to verify. And I'm not going to take anyone's word for it, but the complaining witnesses.
I agree. So he has notes on it. It's not in the written call, so I haven't been able to see what was said in the conversation with the roots of the word. So it's probably
So
better to-
do you mind releasing it so that they can take a
We'll
look?
release it.
Sure, they'll release it now.
But if it was a MOAP, that would have expired 61 days after.
Well, now it's maybe 91 or 121, depending on if there's a deadly weapon. I don't know. I'd have to think.
Proceedings.
Yeah.
Whatever the family law court wants to give him for visitation, I don't think we have any.
You said it's a glass with a G?
No, that's the LAS.
Oh, L. Got it. There we go.
But it was your position, Your Honor, that you wanted the written law to be done before.
Yeah, I'd like to know what her position is. And so have you guys got the rip done? Do you know?
We do.
Okay, what?
She doesn't want to proceed forward. However, it is not as simple as, she doesn't deny that the incident didn't happen.
Okay.
As she said, so, we need.
Well, you guys decide what you want to do.
Right.
I
know a
don't,
little bit more on it, now that we have this to see where we want to go. But
I just want to know.
Visitation.
I'm not a fan of law. Look, that's up to the judge in amending his MOAP. But
Does she say that she is okay with contact with
that's
him?
what I have to get it. That's what I have to figure out. Because if there are divorce proceedings, I assume she's not. So, but I don't know. And I can look into it and find out.
What I would have hoped is that whoever did the rip at the time would ask, hey, do you want to have contact with this person? If so, is it okay in person? Do you want telephonic? Do you want a third party?
And I would have hoped that they would have released these notes to defense counsel as soon as they make.
Yeah.
So
I think question number one would be, is he a threat to you? Do you see him as a threat? It's like a case, so. But if we can get that done.
So let's see, and I'm willing, if you want, to roll it for maybe a day or two to get it done. If it's not done now.
That works for me.
I mean, we don't have to do long resets.
No.
Or maybe they can, once it dies down, they can try rip now.
Okay, thank you.
For sure.
Thank you, Judge.
I don't even see the mop being granted. Mr. Lasco, I'm Mr. Lasco. Mr. Johnson, I don't even see the MOA being granted. It should have been granted, but I don't see that it was.
Indeed, I know we had a conversation about it.
Yeah, they should have, maybe this dude left without signing the MOA.
Okay, thank you.
Regardless though, hey, there is still a no contact order in place though, just so you know. Okay, just so he knows as well. There's a no contact order for now. Let them do the rip. If she's okay with it, then I'll take it off and we'll do no threatening or harassing. Is Mr. Lasco here now? Okay, so I would need him here so that he can sign the conditions. So if we do amend it, just bring him. We'll have him sign the amended conditions. I'll admonish him, no threatening, harassing, and then he's good to go.
Yeah. Make sure we put something that is
So why did he go to family court and stuff, you know? I mean. Hey, good morning. Elon.
Hey, good morning, Judge. How are you?
Hey, good morning. What's up?
I've got Mr. Guerra on your docket. I turned in a PTI packet into the portal last Friday, and then I emailed this morning about scheduling a TRAS.
So you said Gara?
Correct.
I see it. Do you guys have it? Do you see it? Hey, don't talk. Mr. Gaines, do you see on Mr. Gara that a diversion packet has been submitted?
What was the last name?
Gara, G-U-E.
I think I turned it in last Friday, Judge.
And then do you have the ability to accept it, or do you want me to, or should we reset it?
Mind if I ask a question?
Sure.
Is your court a paper plea or electronic please?
What do you guys prefer?
Electronic,
Yeah.
okay, just want to double check.
But I think they have to use the computer over there to sign, right?
Yeah.
So, but they've got to use the computer over there to sign though, okay? Do you know how to log in on the computer right there?
I can do it over phone.
Oh, yeah, or on your phone, sure, of course. Yeah,
Thanks,
of course.
Hey, Judge, bottom of 19, the step for THA before the BDR was left. It's in the box.
Yeah, let me just find out what's going on with Mr. Guerra.
I'm looking, Your Honor.
Yeah. No, that's good.
Yes.
Jennifer, did Mr. Murray get an interlock? Do you mind looking, please?
It has been submitted, Your Honor.
Can you approve it or no?
I can look at it, but it's over a 0.16, and I feel more comfortable with whoever.
Then we'll reset it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we'll set it off. So on Gara, look, can we set it off a week? They submitted the packet. They need time to review it to see whether they're going to accept or reject it. Elon, we'll give you a week on Mr. Murray to see whether they're going to accept or reject.
On Guerra, that sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
Let me see. Or is it, no, I'm sorry, not Mr. Murray. It's Gara. Yeah.
I've got to be in the building on the 23rd, Judge. Could we do that?
Yeah, I'm cool with that. 23rd?
Okay, is that a required appearance?
Yeah. So it's if there's an approval or denial, your client has to be here. If they have not made a decision, it'll still be waived.
Understood.
Okay?
Great.
All right, man. Have fun.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
No, it's here.
Jennifer, what say you? Did he get an interlock?
The case manager is verifying right now.
So no?
I don't know yet.
So, well, I mean, it should reflect in the paperwork whether he's gotten the interlock or not.
I don't think I instructed, but usually I have to check with whatever company they go to see when they have the record.
Okay. Mr. Murray, come up.
I've approved the PTS,
On which one?
Mr. Guerra.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Oh. Now, I'll reach out to him. Did you get the interlock, Mr. Murray?
Yes, sir.
Where's your proof?
I don't got no paper loom right now, but
That's not a good thing for you. So I need, are you able to somehow check?
I'm trying to check right now, with the system we have, but I can't do anything. It's everything goes through the case manager.
Okay,
But she's addressing right now. She's checking it right now.
Take a seat for me, please. Um,
Okay, yes, just so it's in there on 7-11.
Elon. Hey, you guys were approved.
Great.
So if you just want to have your guy come in on that date, we'll send him to go do a walkthrough TRAS.
Awesome. All I have to do is hang up and get on Zoom. Thank you.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks.
Bye. Ms. Davina.
Yes, Judge.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Okay, thank you.
That's fantastic. All right.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Ready?
Oh, yes.
Okay. You are Mr. Nunn.
Yeah.
Okay, Ms. Davina, if you don't mind helping us out with Mr. Nunn,
Okay, I don't mind.
please. Mr. Nunn, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense.
Bwana Nan, umeshikwa kwa kuendesha gari kama umelewa na hilo ni kosa la pili.
You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Na unaweza ukashikwa mwaka mmoja au ukalipa faini ya $4,000.
Probable cause has been found on your case.
Na makosa yamepatikana kwa kesi yako.
I am ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs.
Na amekuamuru usinywe pombe na usinywe dawa za kulevya.
You will be randomly tested for illegal drugs.
Utakuwa unaangaliwa mara kwa mara kwa hizi dawa za kulevya.
If you violate these conditions, I will order your arrest.
Na ukikiuka hayo mambo ambayo umeambiwa, atakuweka ushikwe na ufungwe.
What did he say?
Ulisema nini?
Nasema haya makosa siwezi kuyafanya.
He can never repeat that again.
Louder.
Ongea kwa sauti.
Mimi niko nasema hizo kosa alishaniambia mimi siwezi kuzifanya.
He can never repeat the offenses again.
Because this is a second offense, you are required to obtain an interlock.
Kwa sababu haya ni makosa yako ya pili, unatakikana uwe na kitu kinaitwa interlock, kwa Kiswahili ni kuunganisha.
You are not allowed to drive. You are not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have an interlock.
Na utakikani kuendesha gari yeyote ambayo haina hicho kiunganisho ama hiyo interlock.
If you do, you will go to jail.
Ukifanya hivyo, utaenda jela.
If I have to put you in jail, there will be no more PR bonds.
Na akikuweka kwa jela, hakuna kupewa bondi tena.
This is not a revolving door.
Na huu si mlango wenye unajigeuza.
Do you understand?
Unaelewa?
Niko naelewa.
He understands.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Uko na uwezo wa kutafuta wakili? Uko na uwezo?
Hakuna uwezo.
No.
How do you support yourself?
Na huwa unajisupport vipi?
Mimi nasema mapema, sina uwezo wa kuwa na pesa.
He doesn't have money.
That's not my question.
Hilo sio swali lake.
How do you support yourself?
Na unajisaidia vipi? Unafanya kazi?
Mimi niko nafanya kazi lakini natumikia pesa ndogo. Lakini nilivisema wananisaidia.
He works, but he gets little money and he also has people who help.
What was the first part that you said?
He works. He's working.
Okay. What do you do for work and how much money do you make a month?
Unafanya kazi gani na unapata pesa ngapi kwa mwezi?
1,600.
Unafanya kazi gani?
Kazi ka kuchambua nguo.
Okay, he gets $1,600 a month and he works in a clothing store.
We can give you an application.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I will give you an application. We will give you time to fill it out. You must have the interlock on within a week.
Atakupatia maombi, kwa Kiingereza ombi, kwa Kiingereza amesema application, na lazima upate ile interlock, kile kitu ambacho unaweka kwa gari yako. Amekupatia wiki moja.
Do you understand?
Unaelewa?
Niko naelewa kama na leo waliniambia kama na leo kama najitolea.
He understands that if he gets drunk, he will be jailed.
Not just drunk. If you have any alcohol, your bond can be revoked.
Na sio kulewa peke yake. Ukipatikana na pombe, basi bondi yako itatolewa.
If you have a sip of alcohol, a nub of alcohol,
na hata kama ukinywa kidogo, kile kidogo sana, ikiwa umekunywa pombe kidogo sana, bondi itatolewa na utashikwa.
Siwezi kuifanya.
He cannot do that again.
we will test you to make sure.
Watakuwekea majaribio, test, kuhakikisha kwamba haujakunywa.
Ndio.
Okay.
We will have you sign your bond conditions now. We will send you home with an application. When you come back, please have it filled out.
Na utaweka sahihi kwa bondi sahi, utaenda nyumbani na maombi, hiyo application, utaijaza, alafu utarudisha.
Ndio.
Yes.
Please. We will have you sign all your paperwork and we'll send you on your way.
Na watahakikisha kwamba umesign karatasi zote, alafu ndio uende.
Okay, Alan, where are we with you and Mr. Selemani?
Yes, Your Honor. I was able to have the consultation yesterday. I mean, Your Honor, honestly, it seems like we don't have the PTI back, by the way. Yesterday, I called to follow up. I was only able to submit the mitigation information just yesterday. Don't have the I don't have an answer as of yet.
Did you submit everything that you needed to submit?
Yes, Your Honor. I submitted mitigation information yesterday. I mean, we don't have a TRAS as of yet.
Yeah, I want to first know if they're going to accept them, though.
I do not know. I do not know.
Give me a second and I'll check for you. Ms. Kuhn, do you want to talk? Hey. Hi, good morning.
Hi, I'm here on behalf of Mr. Aziz.
Aziz, jail or bond? I see it. Okay.
But
He needs bond conditions.
he's required to be here, he needs to sign bond conditions, as you just said, but he is taking a drug test right now. He contacted me, he's concerned about this. And
No.
I told him that he could come tomorrow and sign his bond conditions, so that is my fault, and not his.
Why?
As I thought that he couldn't be two places at once, and so.
Why is he taking a drug test and where?
It's for probation. He's honestly to the deferred for a felony. It looks like in June.
Yes, he accepted a probation on June 11th. He had his first visit today with the probation officer. He's there and they're happy to submit it.
Got it. Okay. I'm cool with it.
All right.
That's fine.
I apologize.
No. I mean, she can verify it so we know it's legitimate. That's all my concern is. I want to know that he's not out in the wind just doing whatever the hell he wants to do. If he's doing what he needs to be doing, then we're all happy.
All right. I have nothing further.
Okay. Thanks, Ms.
Commissioner Tom.
Hi, Michael.
Good morning, Mayor.
Hey.
Mr. Twan, H-A-U.
Okay.
I've asked the state to evaluate the.
You see how old it is.
180.
That's old. Yeah. So pick a day next week
Okay.
and no more waived appearances as well. So whatever, hey, on bottom of page 10, they're evaling for trial. So I told Michael to pick a day next week, no more waived appearances. And then at the next week, you guys got to be here, whatever they say, you guys got to accept or we'll set it. You can come up. The prescriptions are ready. All four. Okay. I just wanted to be at that. All right. Bye. Okay, Sebastian.
So for Pierce, for the case that we were talking.
Yeah.
So state's agreed to dismiss it. He's going to go to.
Okay.
West Oaks. I actually need to roll it tomorrow for Gary to set it up. So.
Are they going to null it now or tomorrow? Okay, just let Victoria. Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Can we get that DVR without an attorney? On bottom of 19.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes, Mayor Pro.
Yeah, of
I
course.
just have something on none. The one just like I'm putting conditions on, his license is suspended.
Oh, I thought, didn't you guys, I asked them, they said it was eligible. So do you have something else?
That's what they said. We could check.
So
I guess because the transfer is saying that his license was suspended.
let's check. That's great because I, on every DWI, I ask the same thing so we know if they can drive. If not, then he'll get a portable device and he's got to sign a no driving affidavit.
Thank you, Judge.
So let's check that before. We just don't have enough prosecutors, man.
Yes.
They're showing the license is suspended on none. Yeah, please. And then on Murray, when did you say that?
June 11th, July.
So he was supposed to get it when? He was supposed to get it by 7/6. When did he get it?
July 11th.
Mr. Murray, come up. You have one bond violation for not getting your interlock in by the time you were to have it done. If you have any more, it may not go well between us. Do you understand me? This is not the Stephon Murray show. This is, you have court orders. You either live by the court orders or you die by the court orders. Do you understand? One more. I'm going to have you sign a reset to get you out of here. When you come back, please have a lawyer. Come on.
This way. Judge, were there amended conditions?
No, just same conditions.
All right.
So what say you?
Yes, so it says it's eligible. There was it was suspended for a while, but it's been listed since then, so.
Good? Okay, all right. Okay. Hey, Mr. Gaines, can I ask you a quick question? Thank you for all the hubbub. We have like 100 cases on the docket, so you can imagine how it just gets nuts. On Mr. Soleimani, this is a case that we've gone round and round, and we've had quite a bit of trouble. This gentleman also speaks Swahili, and we've really had, and especially with defense lawyer here, it's been quite a number trying to get everything done. They've finally gotten everything ready for PTI. Do you have everything? What, if anything, do you see?
What gentleman that was just here, the Swahili?
That's another one.
Or two.
Two. I know. Believe it or not, it just, Murphy's Law, right? We just happen to have a Swahili interpreter coming in today for Mrs. Soleimani, and it just so happened that we also had someone on bond. So it's a happy coincidence, you know?
As far as the PTI goes?
Yeah. What do you think? Do you need more time? Because I
don't see where it was an application.
Alan?
Yes, Your Honor. I sent it in yesterday, as I mentioned. I was able to have the immigration consultation yesterday and sent it in yesterday.
Made it into our system yet.
Okay. I guess we're gonna have to roll it because he doesn't even have it to look at to see if he can accept or reject it, you know? Accept or deny. He doesn't have it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who did you send it to, Mr. Henry?
I sent it to DWI, PTI. I also sent it to the mental health person and Karina.
I guess we'll have to roll it a couple days in.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, if you recall, I am actually out. I'm on vacation. Starting
When do you
today.
come back?
I come back the Monday after next.
That far away?
I just left yesterday, Your Honor. So that's why I was working to get this done. If you recall, the immigration person was on vacation last week. That was the issue. I was trying to get everything done before I left.
Your case is 250 days. We're not going to shut this thing down for a damn year, man.
I understand, Your Honor. I mean, I could take a day next week. I'll figure it out. If I could have maybe Tuesday.
Well, no, but if you're on vacation, I don't want you to work while you're on vacation, man.
I appreciate that, Your Honor. And if I get word that it gets approved or something like that, I'll do all I can behind the scenes to get this done. Because obviously,
Well, you can always zoom in. So,
yes.
What day do you get back?
I'm going till next Saturday. I just left.
So you get back on the 25th?
Yes.
So, hey, on Soleimani, he submitted the application yesterday. They don't have it yet to either accept or reject or deny or whatnot. So also he's on vacation. So man, you take a lot of vacations, Alan. Dude, that's a good life, man.
Thank you.
Every other week you're on vacation. So basically let's set it for the 28th to give you time on your way back. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
If you do happen to beforehand, just let us know and we'll, I mean, I can't reach out to Soleimani, so Plus, we got to schedule an interpreter. So, well, let's just set it for the 28th.
Yes, Your Honor.
But be ready on that day.
I
I
sure
mean,
will.
if the application is not submitted or if something's missing, I'm telling you, I'm going to blow a gasket because
I understand, Your
by
Honor.
then
And
you're at almost at 300 days, man.
I'll be following up too, Your Honor. I understand.
All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Salamani, come up.
Simama, Miss Bwana Solomoni, simama.
Good morning. Ms. Divina, are you ready to translate for us, please?
Yes.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Salamani.
Habari yako Bwana Solomoni.
The application has been submitted in your case.
Anasema kwamba maombi yamewekwa kuhusu kesi yako.
We are waiting for the district attorney's office to either accept or deny entry.
Na tunangoja wakili wa wilaya akubali ama akatae maombi.
Your attorney is out of town in addition to this.
Na wakili wako hayuko hapa karibu, ako nje ya town kwa sasa.
We will set your case for the 28th of this month and you must be here.
Na kesi chako kimeahirishwa hadi tarehe 28 mwezi huu na lazima uwe kotini.
Has he done a TRAS? So if you were accepted into the program,
Na ukikubaliwa katika ile program,
you will need to do an evaluation. Shh.
lazima ufanyiwe kitu kinaitwa tathmini, evaluation.
I don't know if they have anyone on staff that speaks Swahili.
Na wajui ikiwa kuna wafanyikazi huko wanaongea lugha ya Kiswahili.
Oh, really?
Your Honor, if
Okay.
I may, he did do a competency eval. That was part of the holdup on this one, and he was able to bring someone with him who did speak English.
Okay, well, so Shatori is telling me that they have a translation line that can help as well. So, okay, that's good to know. So we will set your case for the 28th and then at that point, come back and hopefully we'll have an answer for you.
Na kesi chako kitaenda hadi tarehe 28 na ukija hiyo siku anafikiria kwamba kutakuwa na majibu kwako.
Good luck, sir. We'll just have you sign the reset and then you're free to go on your way.
Na kuna vitu karatasi ambazo unapitia sahihi hapo alafu ndio uende.
All right, thanks, Alan. Enjoy your vacation. Thank you,
Yes,
Ms.
sir.
Davina.
Thank
I
you,
appreciate the help.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, take care. Hi.
Okay, bye-bye. You too.
Thanks for being patient.
No, I was getting his ear about case as well.
Yeah.
I have Robert O'Quinn.
Oh, Quinn. Okay.
We're still waiting for the subsequent blood results. We got the first set of blood results that were in my favor. But there's some.
This is not good. We're at 180 days and we're still waiting on evidence.
It is, Your Honor, and I know this because I recently had this conversation up in the 185th. It is generally about 6 months from when they request the retest that we get results in.
Sure. When was the request, though? I mean, we just can't wait. We got to keep chugging along. 180 days. Maybe the felony courts will wait a year, but not.
Office date is 115. We did not get the blood alcohol report back until 3/17, so it'd be 180 days from thereabouts from there. So
So you said 3/17 is when you sent it?
that's when we got the initial report with zeros in it.
So when did you send it?
And then it would have gone out a few days after that, so it would be 3.
So let's just say for argument's sake, it took a week to get out. So the 23rd, right?
Of March, yes.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So that's another 2 months from now. It's 180 days.
Okay.
It's time to make a decision. It's just, yeah.
Did we pay,
I mean, if you want a
I'll go
couple of
back to it.
days
I'll look
to,
at it and see if we can move forward without the.
sure, okay. So I'll give you guys a week, but just whatever's not in now, it's just, that's it.
Okay.
So set it a week, you guys make a decision. By that time, if it's not dismissed and if you guys aren't happy, then we'll just set it and go forward. Okay, all right, thanks. Mr. Gans.
I'm just here to say hello.
Oh, okay.
Shout out, wife.
Have fun.
How are you?
Good.
Great.
Living the dream. Hey, Rick, ready?
Hey, Jess.
Hey, man, how are you?
Good. How about you?
Living it, man. Living it.
I could say it's good.
You are, man. You really are.
And
You know-
about a month, I'll be living. Probably go on a nice vacation.
Have fun. I'm living through Chris Carlson. That's what I'm doing, you know? Because that's. Who you got, man?
I have Mr. Bell. This is his
Bell.
last.
Jail or bond?
It's on fall.
Okay, you're at 180. What do you guys want to
Let
do?
me explain what happened. It's not lawful carry where the allegation is that the AR was stolen. So Bernadette was there that thing. Bernadette.
The AR was stolen,
Yes,
meaning his?
right.
Okay.
Yeah, it was, there was.
Oh, well, you're saying the one that he had was?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so Bernadette was like, I'm gonna put a hold on it because I have concerns, so I won't offer a dismiss, last dismiss.
She has a concern that the gun has, okay.
So my client, Mr. Bell, provided me a receipt on the place that he got it from. And so I sent it to Karina last month on June 3rd. She said, let me, text message Bernadette, see if I could make that off. She was really busy that day, so she said, just get it reset. Now we're back here today. Same.
And she's in trial.
She's gone. I sent it to her again.
And I uploaded it next month.
Right, 'cause it wasn't even uploaded last time, so we can do like a week.
Yeah, that's what I'll say. I mean, let's set it for probably maybe mid to late next week. But you're also at the point, just no more waived appearances.
It is, I mean.
We're over 180, so
There with his name on it.
I get it. I get it. Let's hope by then everyone's in trial and they're able to look at it, but I can't just continue just no more long reason.
Oh, no.
So we'll set you,
Yeah.
pick a date late next week and hopefully it'll be done.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Okay, man. I don't have the conditions yet. Do you mind filing bond? Do you have bond?
I just did it like not too much ago.
I don't even see Meshref. He leave?
Because he signed those pre-trial bond conditions.
Oh, okay, got it. And then that's fine. If you signed it that way.
So which one said that? I mean, if you did, it's been taking a long time for things to get through. So I would give.
Good morning, Mr. Brock. You're muted.
I'm sorry, I might have been muted.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Judge, I was here yesterday on a Mr. Gallegos regarding an address on his EPO.
Oh, we have all new prosecutors today, Mr. Brock, so.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Because it
Everybody's
looked
out
like
and there's
even,
not enough, so we've literally, every day we've gotten a new set of prosecutors.
I got you. I think your pretrial officer might have been the
Not
one
after
that got
180.
the information on the correct address.
Just because then it keeps just, hopefully by then it'll just check beforehand. Maybe they'll dismiss it beforehand, Maybe reach out. Karina's in trial now. She said it should be ending by Friday. She should be here Friday.
Oh, okay.
So maybe stop by. They'll dismiss it on that day.
I'll go by on the day. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Brock, would you chat me your cause number, please?
Yes, sir. My cause number is 262.
Hold on. Are you ready? Hey, guys, can I borrow you for a second? If you want to listen to the cause number. Okay, 262.
I'm sorry, 262-6931.
Mr. Gallegos is on bond for an AFM. And
That's correct, Your Honor. If I could just recap where we are on this, maybe that could.
it falls in your court.
Okay, thank you, Judge. So yesterday, we were addressing the court due to the fact that the address in the EPO was incorrect in that it was the address where he lives with his mother and not the address of the complaining witness. So that was brought up yesterday. The prosecutor at the time eventually was able to confirm the correct address that should be the one they would use. Also, I know you said you have all new prosecutors, but the court, I guess, pretrial officer was also involved in that, and I believe confirmed the correct address.
Yeah, our pretrial service officers knew as well, Miss Jennifer.
Oh, nuisance, yeah.
No, nothing on you, but we just keep getting.
Oh, okay. Well, I
So,
didn't know
we've got a
that
whole
was
round
going
of-
to be happening. Could I ask the court for guidance on how I should proceed from here?
What do you guys say?
Yes, Judge, so are we just asking for the new address?
I guess the idea is to ensure that the defendant does not run into accidentally with the complaining witness. The
Correct.
Moab address is his alleged apartment, and I don't know why that got put on there, but I guess we need to just verify where she lives.
Yes, Judge, so I believe the prosecutor that was in here yesterday spoke with her and we have an address that I can provide it for.
Well, but it's not the address on the Moab.
It's not the address that's on the.
Okay, so you want me to take the address out of the Moab? Is that what you want me to do?
Are you addressing me?
Yes.
Yes, Judge, that's correct.
Okay, so that's the only thing you want, right?
Correct.
Okay, do you mind printing out, protect, did you get the file that one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 262-6931. No, defendant's not here, right?
That's correct. He was there, yes, we were both there yesterday in person.
I will amend the MOAB for you now and take off that residential restriction. It's
Okay,
probably a good idea of him to have a copy of the MOAB.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Are you here in the courthouse now?
No, sir, I'm in the Galveston County Courthouse.
So someone's got to, I guess, come pick up a copy. If you wait for it to get on deeds, you're going to wait a couple days. So it's up to you how you want to proceed. I'm telling you, I'm going to amend it, but.
Okay, that's great.
Have a copy.
I think I can have someone pick it up in the morning
Yeah, okay.
and we'll go from there.
All right, I got you.
That's great, Judge. Thank you very much for hearing me.
You got it.
And
Of course.
for helping me get that worked out. I really appreciate
No
it.
problem.
May I be excused?
You got it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. There we go. Thanks.
And Judge, you just wanted to give us the trial for the new address?
Yeah, I guess that's a good idea. So she knows what the exclusion address, yeah. Did you get the cause number, Jennifer?
Yes, sir.
You got it? Okay, great. Hey,
I have more jail docket.
okay.
Works out jail reentry.
I'll sign it.
Release instructions.
Not a problem. Mr. Albert. Daniel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, buddy.
Yes, Your Honor.
What was the last name of the guy that you had?
Bex, Your Honor, Becks.
All right,
Dimitri
Bex is, I see Bex here now. Come up,
Yes,
Mr.
Your
Beck.
Honor.
It's probably a good idea for you to go to bed earlier if you're still tired, Mr. Bex. I'm now placing bond conditions on you. If you violate these conditions again, I will continue to revoke your bond. Next time it will double, triple, perhaps quadruple or quintuple. I'm going to protect my city at all costs. And if I have to keep throwing you in, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. Do you understand me? You now have 3 open cases. You will get a GPS monitor on yourself today, and you will have a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication, and not to be in possession of any weapons. These are your bond conditions. Don't violate them. I don't care how minute you may think it is. Trying to go outside for a minute or 3, I don't care. It's no tolerance. Do you understand? You want to give me a date for Mr. Beck's, and then it's still kind of early, so
Yes, Judge, how is August 25 through the 27th?
Mr. Albert, what say you? What date you guys want?
Yes, Your Honor. Let me see. August what again?
25 through the 27th?
Can I get the 28th, please?
27?
28.
Is it 28 possible?
Here, we can go into next week if you want. Fridays are tough because it's an arraignment day, so we'll have a gajillion cases. How's the 31st?
Okay, what about a Monday, like the 24th or 31st?
Sure, 24th is okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm happy to go further off, Daniel, if you want. Doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
You want to do
24th
24, then that's cool.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. For now, I'm gonna have you sign a reset. You will meet with Jennifer for your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be on your way. Okay, please. Wait,
And
thanks,
that's
bud.
required appearance.
Take care.
Your Honor, is that required appearance?
No, it'll be waived.
Waived? Okay.
Waived,
Thank you,
yeah.
Your Honor.
Yeah, okay, take care, man.
Thank you. May I be
Have fun.
excused?
Yeah. I don't have it yet.
I just got them.
Oh, you did? Okay, let me sign it and get you guys out of here.
Why is it this new way?
Just, the prosecutor's been switching so much because of baby DA school, so they've been flanked with people, so they may have forgotten to file. It's not a new way, it's just
They're in your queue, Judge.
got it. The DA's office is shorthanded, and so it's kind of, everybody chips in to. Okay, we're ready. If you want to bring your client up. Okay. Hi,
Morning, Judge.
do you have a plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
White Cotton, come up.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning. How are you? You look great.
Mr. White.
Really, you look great.
Sanchez, right, oh, not right.
All right, good morning, Mr. White Cotton. Sir, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 20 days in jail with credit for the 9 days that you've done. This charge will go on your record after today. It will be there for the rest of your life. What you need to understand is that any future offenses that you pick up, you may be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, once you plead guilty to this case, is this a refile from the felony case?
I think they dismissed it, so they didn't proceed on the trial.
It's not dismissed.
I didn't. I understand.
Let me see. It shows disposed. Are these the same cases?
Arises out of the same conception.
But is it two different people?
Two different people.
I don't know. Deeds is Deeds down, guys?
I know it's working, but I'm checking the phone. Sounds like he.
Did you plead it?
Yeah.
What the heck is going on? It shows filed 3/29/26 and it shows disposed. Oh, right. Yeah, day after. No. Yeah, Deeds is not working.
I'm just gonna email the messenger.
Because as long as I've been on the space, there hasn't been any.
I'm just curious to see what happened upstairs. See what kind of,
Yeah, they pulled it the day after.
was it time served?
No, it says 30 days, there's gonna go with 2 weeks.
Is it on a misdemeanor or not felony?
The judgment says it's a misdemeanor AFX.
All right, so they reduced it to an A. All right. So Mr. White Cotton, understand you get into any more combative offenses, you could be facing a lot of time in jail. You understand? If you're on probation or parole, pleading guilty to this offense now could result in the revocation of that probation or parole, resulting in further confinement as well. Knowing all this, do you still want to do this?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of assault? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement, send you to 20 days in jail, credit for the 9. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, there's one other issue that you have to have the monitor.
We'll take it off today.
Does he have to visit with anybody?
Yeah, he'll have to go down and he'll meet with Jennifer and she'll tell him where to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we need you to come over, sign a couple documents here, and then they'll send you on your way. Okay?
See you, Judge.
Thanks, Reggie. Great to see you too, man.
Judge, we're.
CC, yeah, CC.
Last week.
Oh, right now.
Hey, good morning. What's up?
I told Coach on an off docket matter, it's actually on docket tomorrow, it's regarding that DVR for my client who has been unable to get her portable device shipped to her. There was an issue regarding the device being shipped out to the client address, so she still doesn't have her device. And I actually emailed pretrial services last week on her behalf. Let me see if I can find the email on that, Judge.
I mean, I don't know. She's got to be here though.
Judge, she's trying to be in compliance. She's been telling me since day one, I don't think I'm gonna get this device within 7 days. She immediately texted me, called me, we talked about it. I immediately emailed pretrial services. This was on July 6th. I emailed them, I told them.
Did she wait till the last second to get it done?
I don't believe she waited till the last second, Judge.
I don't know.
Judge, she went to so after we had court, she went to pretrial services because she was on agency pay. She had to get a portable device agency pay. Pretrial services sent her to Smart Start. She went to Smart Start. Smart Start then told her that there are no physical pickup locations within a 600-mile radius of their location, so they had to ship the device out to her. So they shipped the device out to her, but then there was a delay in that. And I sent her screenshots of the app.
Then have her come tomorrow and we'll give her a scram. I'm not going to wait anymore though. She's got to, I mean, she's got to come tomorrow and we'll give her a scram.
So what I would ask for is if we could temporarily have her on a scram until this device comes, and then we'll switch her over to the portable. But I just want to avoid a bond violation when this woman has tried to address these issues ahead of time, and I've been in
Yeah.
contact with pretrial.
Is she on docket for tomorrow?
She is.
Great. We'll have her come tomorrow and we'll discuss it tomorrow.
Okay. And there is a piece of that that Anastasia and I have to approach on. This is regarding Mr. Lofton. I believe he may have been the gentleman that we met.
He may what?
Yeah,
He,
so
wait, he what?
Lofton.
Yeah, yeah.
Charles Lofton.
What about it?
You did client judge, he's adamant about speaking with you and
Sure.
reiterating what his options are.
You want to bring him out? Okay, let's talk. Hey, Mr. Henry, I'm about to send you an email.
Okay.
Mr. Miles has a bond violation, so I was gonna put on for Friday. Yeah. So Lofton, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So am I correct in thinking that he's bond denied on a robbery?
Judge, I don't believe.
He's on deferred for a robbery?
He already pled on that. Are you talking about the local?
Yeah.
Yeah, he already.
That's over with?
Yeah, that's over with.
I'm sure, but it shows pending completion of probation.
Judge, no, it's been disposed of. It's been disposed of. He served time. He's been in custody since about June. That case was disposed of on 7/6, Judge, the one out of the 339.
It says court amended conditions of community supervision. Amended conditions of community supervision. Good morning, Mr. Lofton.
Good morning, sir.
So your lawyer is asking for me presumably to set a bond. I don't know. I've never met you before. The only thing I know is that you're wanted from another state. And, you know, the only thing that really interests me in this life is that our community is protected, number one. Number two, that if we set you a bond, you're going to go back to where you're wanted from. And number three, you don't leave a wake of destruction on your way back. Those are the things. Well, everybody tells me it's bunnies and rainbows and gumdrops and lollipops, and everybody says that, right? But paper tells me who you are, because I've never met you before. You could tell me you're the Queen of England, I wouldn't even know. But paper, this tells me who you really are, what you're about, whether you're dangerous, whether you're not dangerous, whether you're a happy person or not. I don't know. So tell us about Mr. Lofton.
He is currently has a warrant out of Oklahoma for 2 failure to appears on for 3 counts of burglary. He also has another failure to appear out of Georgia. This is someone who obviously does not like to listen to what the court wants them to do. He has not given an answer on whether he wants to refuse or waive or anything of that, so we do not know where to go from here.
So I'm assuming they put in a refusal at this time then, because he's not waived.
Presumably.
So,
He's not waived at this time, Judge, but he also said that he's not refusing. I think he just wants to be heard out.
sure, I'm happy to,
So I
but
just wanted you to reiterate what his 3 options are at this point. I don't. If we could request a bond, and if you are willing to set a bond, I can get in contact with his family members, see if they're willing to pay the bond on this UJ extradition case.
so he's wanted out of Oklahoma
Yes.
on 2 burglary charges,
It's 3 counts of burglary, but it's 2 failure to appears
on 2 different occasions,
for the same, yes. Yes, Judge.
2 different failure to appears. And then he also has a warrant out of Georgia.
Yes.
What's out of Georgia?
That is for purchase, possession, manufacturing, distribution, or sale of marijuana.
Okay, and has Georgia indicated that they want him as well?
We have not heard anything at this time.
Okay, does he have any pending locals here?
He should not, Judge. His last pending local out of the 339 was resolved as of 7/6.
Okay,
Like my warrants in Georgia, it is for marijuana. I've been incarcerated for 10 years. And since I've been home, I've been trying to get all these things taken care of. A lot of my warrants happened before I even went to jail, including the one that's here now. It's the burglary, the charges I have in Oklahoma, my court date was, they're both on the same day, which is the 22nd of last month. I'm on probation in this county. Up until this, I was honoring everything that I had as far as my judicial contract with my probation.
Wait, so you are on probation here then?
Yeah,
For the robbery?
yes.
Right, that's what I
This
thought.
was, I was brought here for a failure to appear.
Correct.
At some point, like, and I have evidence of it right here, like, I got it underlined right here. At some point, like I reported in July of 25, and then all of a sudden, nothing happened. Like they switched my parole officer, whatever like that, so I never got a new officer until October, November. I got the same phone number and everything like that, which led to my failure to appear. So now that I got back in front of Judge Bell, we got that clarified, and she gave me 10 days time to serve, and it was over with. So while I was in custody for that is the reason why I missed this court date. My charges that I have in Oklahoma were on the same day, which is the 22nd. I do have two.
Wait, so
counts.
you're saying the
I've been-
warrant in Georgia arises because you were held in custody here?
No, my one in Georgia, I was incarcerated for 10 years. The one I have in Oklahoma, I've been in Harris County custody. It was on the 22nd. I have 2 burglary charges in Oklahoma. My
3.
court-
3 counts of burglary.
My court date is on the 22nd. It's not two failure to appeals. They just ran it by the counts. They ran it up, but I've been in custody for that day. I've been in custody. I've been in transport. That's all it was. I've been just trying to get these things. I've been incarcerated for 10 straight years. So once I got out, it's a matter of trying to go everywhere and get everything taken care of so I can get my license back.
When did the warrants hit on his cases out of Oklahoma? How long has he been FTA?
So I wish I had Wi-Fi right now. The warrant was issued on 6/22
Of this year?
of this year, yes.
Last month. And I've been incarcerated since the 8th.
Well, what concerns me, Mr. Lofton, is that you're wanted, you literally are wanted you're playing hopscotch with the states, man. You're wanted out of Oklahoma, you're wanted out of Georgia, you're wanted out of Texas. At what point do we say when? Not only that, but you have failed to appear on multiple occasions in Oklahoma as well.
No, when I
So-
did 10 years straight, and that's my Georgia ones. So when I was released from prison, I became a resident of Harris County. Since I've been home, I haven't, I was honoring every last aspect of it. I have my failure to educate right here. None of this failure to appear is basically court fees. I didn't pay my court fees. And I got 10 days county time in Ms. Bell, which is 339, she's give me 120 days community service, and then we'll terminate your probation satisfactory. And I was up in this, my charges for Oklahoma are from last year. I was appearing I'm actually on bond. I was appearing for every last court date that I had for that until I got pretty much apprehended for this year. So I was honoring my probation and my judicial contract with Oklahoma. It's just a clerical error of when they switched my parole, my probation officer. It was a clerical error.
We're not talking about Harris County. We're talking about Oklahoma though.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like I was honoring every last aspect of going to court. I just at some point there was a clerical error when they switched my probation officers here. There was a clerical error and I didn't know whether they had switched my.
But how does that impact Oklahoma?
Coming here to get it rectified. I've been in custody here. That's why I missed the court date.
How long has he been in custody here? Do you know?
Since the 8th of June.
And the warrant was filed, you said
June 22nd.
June 22nd. I don't know, man. I don't know. How are you even gonna get to Oklahoma?
I got a ride. I was supposed to get released from here Sunday night, because she gave me 10 days county time, which I would have been out on the 13th. My ride was coming down to take me straight because I got a bond agency in Oklahoma.
What do you guys say?
I was going straight to my bondsman.
Judge, the state is going to be opposed to the bond. If he really wants to go back to Oklahoma and take care of these, he is able to waive, and hopefully they pick him up within,
Yeah, this thing that kind of scares me is that you've got multiple states looking for you, man. And it's a big incentive for you just not to go back.
No, my Georgia charges are misdemeanor, marijuana.
Are they misdemeanor or are they felony charges out of there?
I am not sure, Judge.
I mean, I think that's a big deal. I'd like to know,
For your arm.
You want to roll it till tomorrow and see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'd like to know, number one, and let me tell you, let me be frank, the bond that I set you, if I were to set you a bond, it's not going to be a rinky-dink bond, Mr. Lofton. It's going to be a high bond because I have to ensure that you're going to go back. And so I have to know that the bond has to be sufficiently high that you're going to go back, and there are going to be multiple zeros by the end of that bond. And I'll tell you that, I mean, you have three ways that you can resolve these fugitive cases. You can waive extradition. If you waive extradition, we give Oklahoma 14 days from the date of your waiver to come get you. If they don't come get you within the 14 days, Harris County releases you. You can refuse extradition, in which case they will get a governor's warrant from Oklahoma. That usually takes around, give or take, 90 days, which at that point they can force you your way back, or we can set you a bond. I don't know if I'm going to set you a bond, but I'm telling you now, I'm going to be hard pressed due to the fact that you have multiple states looking for you.
But I don't even want a bond. What I actually want is just, if it was possible to know, like, because it looks like I just didn't go to court when it wasn't in fact a
So
choice.
what,
So there was a way that- there was a
so
way that they could
with
notify,
your
like,
family, your family hopefully would be able to get you a lawyer up in Oklahoma and work with Oklahoma. I mean, instead of me setting you a bond and spending, you know, $7,000, $8,000, $10,000 to bond out,
Yeah.
your money is probably better spent getting a lawyer in Oklahoma to look at those charges to see, because if Oklahoma releases a hold, Harris County is going to release you.
No,
So
I
if
don't even-
it's,
I actually don't even want a bond. Like, I just figured like,
but that's
was
not
here.
something, we can't do that.
I'll leave it.
So none of these people here are licensed in Oklahoma.
I just figured it was a way for like, for them to be contacted, like, yo, we've had them, so he really didn't.
They're not going to take our word for it. We can't just, hey, oh, hey, by the way, man, someone messed up. And then Oklahoma, okay, here, let's just, it doesn't work like
That's
that.
all.
I mean,
I figured it was a way between the interstate compact where it could have got lifted
in-
here without me having to bond out, because I've been.
in the
custody.
world of courts and the
Yeah.
court system, they work on proof, not just on spoken word, because theoretically, anybody could call and say, oh, yeah, I'm the DA at Harris County, when it's just your next door neighbor saying it.
I have it. I've been expedited. They picked me up on the 8th of last month. I signed expedition. I waived expedition to come here. And I was on transit. I
Where?
was in Lake County, Indiana. I waived extradition to come.
So you got busted in Indiana.
Yeah.
And so they extradited
That's
from
why I said I was
Indiana to
going around.
here.
I had a case in Chicago. I took care of that. And
Yeah.
I got my license back. So it wasn't like I was trying to run from anything.
Yeah.
I waived extradition to come here. So it's like
So-
I've been trying to take care of it.
If you waive extradition now,
Yeah.
the 14 days starts tolling or ticking for Oklahoma to come get you. And if they don't come get you within the 14 days, Harris County is going to release you. What you need to understand though, Mr.
It's still
Lofton,
there. That's crazy.
the warrant will always be there until you go back. Dude, at some point you have to, otherwise your life is never going to be your own.
I'm caught in, like, I live here, I got a case here, so now when I go there to handle it, I'm like,
You
I
need
violated
to-
my bond by even going there. So that's why I'm constantly getting caught and trying to go and take care of it.
You have a lawyer here. Use the lawyer that you have here to say, oh, hey, by the way, I need to go take care of this in this jurisdiction over here. And your lawyer can get a hold of everybody here so that everybody can get on the same page to say, okay, let him go over there. And by the way, it might be a long time, because the problem is if you were wanted here in Harris County, you go back over there and you're there for a really long time, they may issue a warrant here in Harris County, and then the exact position you're here may be reverse of it.
I keep getting caught in that cycle.
But communication is key. You have to remain in communication with your lawyer. Let them know of what you want to do, because if you just do whatever the hell you want to do and you don't tell anyone, I mean, really?
And that's what I thought, like, my Oklahoma case, I did call, like, yo, I'm in Harris County, baby, you don't issue a warrant until you prove it. So I'm like, okay, it's just a matter of proving where I've been since the 8th.
So why don't we do this? Why don't you talk with Keely here? You guys decide whether you want to waive extradition, whether you want to keep the refusal.
I'll
And
waive it, like, I'm not running from anything, I'll waive it.
Okay,
It's just a
so-
matter of proving where I've been, and I keep getting caught in that cycle of, I went here to take care of it, then like, well, give me 10 days county time.
what we could also do is we can have Keely reach out to your family to say, hey, look, this is what's going on over here. We'd really like if you guys can hire a lawyer for the Georgia case to start working things out. So to try to clear any misunderstandings. I don't know what's going to happen, or not Georgia, but in Oklahoma. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But nothing is going to happen until you guys start talking and indicating what you want to do.
Yeah,
You know?
I got like, they gonna come, I don't know what they're gonna do when I get there, but I got another court date here.
Once you refuse here,
I don't want
once,
another warrant here.
once you refuse here, they will go back and notify Oklahoma, hey, guys, he has waived, you have 14 days to come get him. And at that point, they will decide whether they want to spend the money to come get you. Mr. Lofton, it's really expensive to get someone in Oklahoma to come down and pick you up. It's at least a couple $1,000s.
I know, like, you see this? I got a court date here on the 5th, which is a status check for my probation, which will be another FTA, because I'll be up there and I keep getting caught in this
Can
cycle.
you get in contact with the lawyer and then you guys try to reconcile?
Yeah, 14 days from now, what would have said about the 29th, or
Yeah.
his sitting is in August, on August 5th.
But
Ideally,
right.
Yeah, we'll ask him.
So Keely here will reach out to your felony lawyer to let them know what's going to happen here. And then they can reach out to whoever, or is it the 338 or the 339th, and to let them know what's going to happen. So hopefully they'll do whatever they need to do so that you guys can all get on the same page. So another warrant doesn't issue.
And that's why I was like, let's try to get a bond, because if I could have got my community service done, then
Yes,
this case was
being
out
the
of there.
fact that they picked you up in Indiana, you're wanted out of Georgia, you're also wanted out of Oklahoma, and you're on probation here for a robbery. Hell no. No, I'm not gonna set you up. It's just not gonna happen.
I don't want to go up there and miss that one. Now I'm back in the same thing.
Yeah.
When it's like, okay, if I can get this community service done, this court date is gone, then I just go up there and deal with it.
You're in the home stretch. Let's get the paperwork done here. Keely will help you out to reach out to your felony lawyer here so that everybody can get on the same page and try to get this done once and for all. All right? Mr. Lofton, I wish you the best of luck, man.
Thank you.
You got it, buddy.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. So do you have the paperwork for him to sign for the waiver? Okay. All right, you want to go through the list?
Top of 19.
One second. Good morning. You ready?
You got a second? I talked to you in Cambridge, one, has nothing to do with anything here before.
Sure. Yeah, let me, yeah.
I'm not.
Oh, very much.
I used to be. He has some other child, has a couple.
I'll get her, 4 years.
So yeah, hopefully I'll be doing this and then get a job next year as I graduate. Yeah. As long as I'm not awful at the job. No, actually, I used to really scrambled on those two sides, was gonna have something. And then just kind of just.
So he was in Indiana, he gets caught with a warrant down here, and then he's in jail here, and he got PA's out
Okay. I didn't even check. I knew. Sorry. Thanks.
Oh.
Yeah, we're exciting, yeah, I've been here for about a month.
You're doing a great job.
Yeah. I feel like I was right around.
Yeah, that's what I said, they're rolling it to tomorrow, so if it's dismissed and everything's all.
I'm sure they will get to that.
Yeah.
That's the idea. I'm not saying
That's what I mean, the resistance.
You're doing.
They're already doing it.
I wanna do one.
But that's.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. I see you when you're all of the same.
I'm in. It's great.
Yeah.
Oh, so you want to?
For Julian's fine. And that's all there's solution fine. No, I'm not from Texas.
So you don't want to dismiss.
2 million, one in South Texas.
I would just want on this television that they are.
The state prices that.
Oh, so they have, yeah, they do have.
I figured that yeah, you learn a lot.
I'm still gonna go.
Yeah, that's not even. Are you on your case?
So I'll get time off. You're gonna come back next week.
Yes, you can do signature yourself or.
You're gonna practice law, Louisiana?
No, that's the problem.
Yeah, well, that's it, right?
Did you learn all the French law?
Yes. You got it.
Oh, I totally wrong. But either way.
Well, it was nice to meet you. Good luck with everything and NPRE in August, I'm sure. So.
I think these will probably.
I took.
If I can figure out how to get connected.
I was like, oh,
Give me a second, I'll.
I'm more complicated. I thought it was like all the conflicts of interest and stuff. I was like, oh. All right, I'll see you all later.
Find the waiter and something because now we're doing
Oh, I got that.
Well, do you find it?
That's what he has in his mind, right? It might be confidential.
That's what I'm.
That is only, he was back dating, and I see all of them being loved. If she can zoom on, it's not wrong.
Okay, right there. Yeah, we got put on there because she wants to call for the phone call. Oh, yeah, that's what she. But that was it, I think it's a shipment. You know, that's Sarah. I think that's right, I was the role. Yes, because you checked it out, pointed to later, so he doesn't know why. We had to. So I'll go ahead and talk about that. Okay, thank you.
Get it done, so they can have. Yeah. Okay, sorry. My thing is this. Also, wait. Also, we tried to so long, we wouldn't trust it, because they have it. Yes, so I having a meeting with my. You're so right.
Do what you gotta do. Thank you very much.
Oh, is that?
You can use them sample and I'm sorry. Oh, it has to.
So it was great. It was, yeah, and then we began whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I didn't feel.
I just think we should all be working on that.
It
It is a superior product, and I agree.
With my little notated SOP, where does it say she just doesn't? Something, you need like the wrong set, and the SOP didn't state you needed in the packet, but Anne was like, no. And then there was. So one of the items, it says, you don't need this document in like the middle of the SOP, but at the end of the SOP, it says required.
So how do you like the?
So I was like, this is complex, and she was like, okay. That's okay. I'm not going to speak. Girl. I told her, I was like.
I like visiting there. I like going there.
I don't care if she wants me or not, but the thing is, she's very influential in who gets her. So I need her to like.
And I love that area.
And then they were like, okay. She's in like every meeting, she's in every interview. Where like the prize. She like just train the trainer. Which is mad also. But. I wouldn't. Yeah, I think that's.
It's almost like, dude, it's still false. It's not just one. And you can't do.
I called. Who didn't do that? And she was like, oh, keyword being watched. Which is unfortunate. I mean, I can't. It was her day before. It wasn't yesterday. She was probably Monday or something. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I was like.
You're running to put an England jersey on.
It was different. Why didn't the person say you watch because it's like more. They should have found. It's just, is it just for?
Why wouldn't you post him every time? And why can't you get a guy except for message? Because
Like
message
all
you
over the state, yes.
it seems like they're trying to make it boring. You could have a guy kick a ball to an exact spot, at least like, and just post him up and edit in.
Not necessarily like they don't like him. I think they're.
Worship and the goals.
No, but she.
Is there one?
And you're huge. Because I did say, you know, because.
So,
I think
Sorry.
it's like that, but I did get her.
Yeah.
I just like kind of.
Yeah.
It's like Portugal's team being upset.
I just read.
They have Ronaldo, I'm sorry, we have one of the best players.
Yeah, she was here till
It
14.
must suck.
Yeah.
I'm a massive fan. I think he reminds me of like shorts, but he's just, and being shorts a benefit in soccer, right?
Well.
In closed spaces, right?
Yeah, it's.
Short steps, you can change your things.
I'm always thinking that this is balls, and I feel bad. But
Like, well, that's the worst part.
Yeah.
he said, when we get speed,
Right now, we get
thing is, that's it.
Kids being more
Every
pure.
time I like a conversation,
They don't care baseball. Baseball.
there's a time for everybody. I'm not gonna lash at it towards the other, but also I'm not gonna do the job.
All science is stupid.
I can get things done, being nice. And then people take that advantage of me being the same one, you think I will do it. Yeah. It's 5 years by this much.
I agree. It took all this.
I guess it is.
Just post some. But once.
No, not that big, because at this point, it's not.
I'm sorry if you're dealing with this guy. But
Yes. And.
I enjoyed it. I didn't think it would.
As like the second assessment, however, every single day I was by myself. After every single direction.
Had a flat.
I wrote purchase it ID because I was like, if I see it, it's her, she fixed it. So it was a lot of time. Like even after the fact, it's still like every time I moved it, unfortunately, goes into correction. I don't have to fix it, but I sort of like, yeah, and then the last time I really decided that
For like 5 goals.
all like students, yeah, CC in the emails for corrections.
Yeah.
The first time I did that was, oh, I should know that. And I had this supervisor 16, and then she was always saying, so I went to have to start CCing the supervisor. I'm like,
Yeah. And
since the meeting.
game's confused.
And then I get a number calls from her the same day, like not even 2 minutes later, saying,
45 minutes.
can you show me that email?
That was a good game.
To CC them now? And that's, I was like, not my job, ask Nikki last weekend. I don't switch them. If you want an email, you go to them. Not me. I'm not supposed to use it.
I'm just down my hundred for and so that's like, I'm not, that's your break. I'm sick of it. And so she was out there.
There's more. Yeah. I just want to get it, those people to watch. But that's exhausting.
Where she's like, well, I encountered one.
The whole flopping down on the ground.
I had to do that. Take me out of
They
it.
bring the stretchers out, they're like, really?
And the reason I did that is because that's my everything that's in the back. So I need to make sure that all the paperwork that they filed is done. I have to make sure that anything that doesn't need to be filed is shredded.
I mean, it's hard to be on support for religion.
Because she can't retain a single thing.
Could you imagine?
I need
our soccer team?
I'm not like this, I swear. This is a lot. But she put out a freaking stack emails between her and just 4 hours in there.
We can drop you in.
And then I wanted the emails because I have to read them. They're ripped in my business. I gotta turn out a court document. And there was one, she's like, well, I don't want to be a
And that hearing, whatever his name is.
then why'd you take the job?
They should boss they.
Put me in, coach.
It's screwed up that man, but they
People who
just they got screwed up.
in this position, and others who are less than great, just don't.
Does Mexico City where they throw the beers and things, man?
Yeah.
Or swimming pool?
Yeah. Oh, my God.
That would be fun.
Yeah. I mean, I can tell you're. But like, I have to take people to be honest, but to be fair, I don't.
I don't give a shit. I just didn't want to friends with them. But I'd like to see her just go on, even though they wanted.
Yeah, I really.
Statement.
Yeah, I just want to get one of those systems. They don't. I would like.
I think it was the Netherlands, and they showed. But I don't think. The Swiss. Yes, yes.
Thank you. I'll be ready. Thank you for your help for Dr.
Because it was the Netherlands, it was here, wasn't it? Morocco, Netherlands, no. Awesome.
I don't know. Here.
Yes, it's Morocco. The Netherlands, the like Morocco, right?
He was like, I know that's also he was in years old. Very well, yeah. And you know, so like that. Fans are crazy.
Also, where do they play Miami? What games that versus? Because that's at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, I'll change, like, given like 4 chances.
No, it's not.
They're clean. I'm not paying them.
Used to make it.
Yeah, service in the game. I saw it the other day.
Or it was bad.
Yeah, I'm like, oh. In fairness, or later. I don't know.
Except.
It's been 10 for the trouble. Just on the, Mr. Paul, can I get your right number and number that you can be good to go? I can get this as last. I can read much.
So my baby, I actually. Most shots for computers, but. So,
I just got, I felt that there. I was trying to.
I got it.
This way I'm just.
They did some funding and just. Because I was one time. It would really turn out like. It wouldn't have the discovery.
But yeah, I also do that.
It's not quite as that's, it's just more serious. Well, it's just more serious cases, right? So that's serious. Like you still have felony thefts, drugs and.
Yeah, I got a friend who's in some university and she's living in Spain.
Okay.
She was in six months. And then.
Can't call right now.
Yeah, she's helping me on the.
Or Lisa Collins.
Yeah.
Called me. And. Awesome.
I will have three.
Awesome.
ADs and then. So you'll see like coming up nice. Because the judge let in. 38. Because I'm basically saying that the jury can rule that they also have reasonable suspicion that they could. Yeah. Support our position. Yeah.
Mr. Craddock's always a pleasure, man. Thanks. Adam, are you ready? Thanks for being patient. Okay.
Well, I don't like that either.
Judge, I was being impatient. Just so you know.
You're being
I was being patient.
nosy.
Patient.
I'm sorry, did I, say-
You saw me, I was like this at the door.
sorry, Satan. Oh, I'm sorry.
You called?
Get your sister. All right, well, good morning, Mr. Baldwin. Sir, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 90 days in jail with credit for the 81 days that you have done. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you were not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You gave up the right to appeal. If you were on probation or parole, pleaded guilty to this offense, you can get revoked, sent back to prison, more jail time. Let's see if you are or not. So you are on, looks like he just got on probation for a burg-hab. Is that right?
Yes, sir. And he did sign yesterday for safety.
We have a lot of people here, Mr. Baldwin, that run to prison. I don't know what it is. Are they hanging out with the wrong people? Are they the wrong people? But you are a product of your environment. You are a product of who you hang out with. You, my friend, in the last year, it's not gone very well, and you are running to prison. You are on deferred for an extremely serious case, and you've just continued to pick up cases. At some point, a judge is going to go, you know what? Dude's not learning, and he's just too much of a danger. Let's just throw his butt in prison. You understand? There's only so many times that they're going to bend over backwards to help you. And now, after this, you go into safe P. There's really nothing else at their disposal other than prison. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? You know, one more thing. I don't know what it is, but go look at the old timers in there. Ask them what it's like to live a life of in and out of jail, in and out of prison. And I'm sure they'll tell you it's one thing and one thing only: self-control. You lose it without thinking, if I do this, what's going to happen? If I say this, what's going to happen? Because next time, I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement, send it you to it. Is there a restitution that was owed in this case?
But I believe the public prosecutor just, wanted for him to serve his time served out already.
All right. How do you plead, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow it, send it you to it. Good luck to you, Mr. Baldwin. Stop running. Okay, thanks, guys. All right. Thank you, Adam, for being patient too. And you guys as well. I think are we done?
That's it, just to tell you.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for helping out with us. It was a pleasure.
Hope I can do it soon again.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Who knows?
Happy to.
Should be in your queue that the DPC just called me about, the person is there.
Okay, which on
It's on Hutchinson.
Hutchinson? All right, let me read it real quick.
If you want to sign it or.
Or you can watch game.
My office. Yeah, my office. It'll just be me and my stinky room that I haven't washed because I'm superstitious.
You have a messy jersey, your friend?
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, I'm signing it. Okay, Victoria, you want to? Sorry.
That's all, really bonds posted.
Boy, I wonder if we're going to get a whole new set of prosecutors again tomorrow. You know, this is the third day of a whole new set.
I think the conclusion is that for the attorneys trying.
Oh, it's, yeah, of course. There's no continuity, you know, I mean. So you said top of,
19?
yeah, 10,003. Okay, who's next?
Next is top of 25, step for Raymond.
2501.
Top of 29. I know Terry Road, and it's still in.
2501. We don't know if he's in ICE custody. They weren't able to determine.
Because I told him to, that he approached, and he told him to.
And she did, and she didn't see him. Right, that's why.
Hi, Judge, that's it.
And you got 2501 on bottom of 30?
Yes.
Got it. Okay, cool. That's it.
I have a couple of case reviews.
Okay. Who's first?
233.
Okay,
774.
0?
233.
Uh-huh.
77.
That's not enough numbers. Usually there's like a 0 at the end.
It's been Nate Edwards. This was the one.
I remember who you, but
Well, she's asking to remove her scram device. It's costing her $491, and then she's paying for a portable that's costing her $120. And she's like, she's falling behind on rent. I reached out to the probation officer. Her last UA was negative. She's completed all her classes and programs. She's behind
Wonderful.
on her probation fees.
I don't care,
Okay.
roll it. I don't care
Okay.
about money.
She gets off probation October 8th, so she only
That's
has a few
great.
months.
So which one do you think should be removed?
She has both and she's been in compliance. Maybe the scram, maybe give her a chance and increase the UAs.
Okay.
We can do that.
My concern is that what if she starts skipping blows,
Mhm.
you know?
Mhm.
So, okay, well, let's give her a chance. Let's hope she does well.
I can tell them to drug test her maybe twice a week.
But also admonish her that if
Okay.
you skip blows,
Yeah.
it's
It's
going
going right
right
back
back
on.
on.
Okay,
So don't miss.
okay,
Public.
okay. She
Okay.
called the court. And the next one is 26-01183.
Right.
This also reports of his probation since June. His mom believes he's relapsed.
Yeah, issue
Out
warrant.
of Covenant House. Okay, what do we want it at?
10,001.
The next one are new law violations. The next one is 25.
I didn't see it at all.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
43.
Mitchell.
Yes, she just picked up a criminal mischief of a public servant.
Okay, issue warrant.
Do you want to say?
10,001.
And then the next one is Miss Treadwell. 25,
Mhm.
3542.
I need one more number.
2535421.
I see it.
It's been doing this too, because she was showing me for the case and she was like, really sure she got it.
What happened with Miss Trevel?
She picked up a drug.
Another one?
Mhm.
Damn.
She's supposed to get off probation in September.
No. Issue warrant. She picked up a new case. What?
10,001.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she'll be here, I think, on Friday.
Oh, well then,
We'll wait.
Yeah.
Just have it ready. Okay. Thank you.
all right.
Yeah.